Hey, we're coming to you live from Cup Bar. Sorry, I have to cut the timer. Hold on. We're coming to you live from Cup Bar here at Doha Souk Mall. This is Live on Cue, episode 23.
Wow.
And you got me here, Francis. I'm your host for this afternoon, together with my co-host, Ting of Ting Talk Show, and of course,
Hello.
Trixie from Toastmasters, to give us a brief introduction about our special guest for this afternoon. Go ahead, Bev.
It's not me today, but
Yeah,
it's
go
Sting's turn
Go ahead,
today.
go ahead. Oh, it's Sting's turn
Yes.
today. All right, let me switch the camera. Okay, go ahead.
All right. So, our guest is a sales and marketing manager by profession. Ayan. And she's also one of the pioneer RJs in Kabayan Radio.
Wow. Whoa, what's that? Sure.
Ayun. So, she also does side hustles like hosting and dancing.
Dancing.
Yes. And she also had an experience to be like a waitress. Ayun,
Wow.
no? Balloon twisting. Nag-clown. Totoo ba to? And events coordination. She also managed a bar and she also did online business with Korean and
Okay.
Thailand products and retail apparels, to name a few.
In short, ang
Ayan.
babaeng walang pahinga.
Correct.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shay Daman!
Hello, sound check.
Yes! You're finally here
Yeah.
after years of chasing this girl who finally
my
have her
God, yes.
onboarded on Live on Cue. Kumusta naman ang
Please bear with
buhay-buhay?
me. Medyo naninibago po ako.
Ayo.
Ngayon lang ako uli, nag-headset and
Yes.
Ayun.
It's been a while since
Yes.
we've seen Shay online.
Yes. By the way, thank you for the beautiful, I would say, venue for this afternoon's Live on Cue. We're here at Doha Souk Mall. For those that didn't know, this is where the original and the only Lombard Qatar is located. So you have here at the ground floor, we have the Cup Bar, and
Cup Bar.
upstairs, second floor, we have the actual dining area for those who wanted to eat loming barako.
Yes.
Yes.
The one and only
Yes.
Lombard Qatar.
Parang ang careful natin magsalita.
Stating fact.
Anyway, kumusta naman, Shay? Kumusta?
Okay naman.
Good. How was it? How was keeping you busy in the past few days?
To be honest, it's just Kapeng
It's
Barako
just
and
Kapeng
Lombard
Barako.
talaga.
I see.
For quite a while.
Yeah, it's nice to see you in a good shape, by the way, because you've been like through like ups and downs.
Yeah, a lot.
All the bumps in life. We've been so quiet about what's happening with your
Yes.
life, and you told me last time that before heading to this podcast, she'll be sharing some stories. Not maybe everything, but
Yeah.
at least some things which would concern other people to know. Right? So you could select from your life story which ones you want to share, which people you want to
The
banter.
area.
It's all you.
It should be.
The floor is yours.
No, actually,
Okay,
we
go
just
ahead,
want to
go
make this episode as possible as possible.
As fun as possible. Okay.
As positive as possible.
As positive,
you know?
yes.
We don't want to be ranting or
Yes. So just showing to the camera what we're having right now. Slowing Kapeng Barako.
giving out
Kapeng
such
Barako.
negativity.
Yes.
Pero, I mean, I'm ready to answer questions.
Ah! Oh my God, it's gonna be interesting. Sige.
But before this
Okay,
episode, I said
Yeah.
this podcast today is really special to me
Yes.
because it's been a long time since I sat down with Shay to
With
have
headsets and,
yes, with
you know.
headsets. The last time that we had headsets together was when we were call center agents back home.
Yes.
We were call
Yeah.
center agents, and Shay is one of the best agents in that company where we came from. And then she suddenly disappeared, and Shay let us offer Qatar.
Controversial.
No, because I was also surprised. Kasi we were together, I think, from 2006.
Seven.
Seven.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2007.
So, pareho pa kaming dinosaur noon.
We were dinosaurs back
Yes.
then.
And then suddenly, parang my friend from college asked me in 2012, Ate, would you be interested in going to Qatar? So, at that time, we were really young and I was very ignorant. and I did not have any plans of
I
going
see.
abroad. So
Oh.
parang for me that time,
How
Middle
old were you
East-
there? Pare? Sorry.
Oh, 2012?
2012.
I know,
we
never
were-
mind the age.
No, it's
Yeah,
fine.
we were
Okay, it's
24,
fine.
25, yeah.
I was
25,
here
that's young.
24.
I see.
So at that time parang we had this misconception about Middle East na
Yes.
parang
True.
puro
It's scary.
negative, it's
Yeah.
scary, na parang it's not livable, it's not ano. But so my friend in college, actually classmate ko siya talaga. We were in close in a close circle. So sabi niya hindi. Yun nga yung usual
I see.
na parang
Scary
na
and
akala
The
nyo,
place
pero-
itself is not scary. The
Yeah.
people are.
Well, depende sa circle mo. You
Go ahead.
gotta be careful. Charot.
Yeah.
Anyway, so at that time,
Go ahead.
alin ba dito ang camera?
Kahit saan.
Kahit saan.
Hindi, ito yung
Tama,
sa'yo.
diba? Ito yung sa
Ayan.
akin. Okay. So, at that time, so yun nga, sinabi niya, no, this is actually a place where you wanna go if you wanna be able to save, build a family,
I see.
a career, and all. So, sabi ko, okay, worth a try. Let me see. So, nagpaalam ako sa parents ko, ganyan. So, parang...
May passport ka?
Oo. Really? My God!
Sobrang busy namin. Ay, hindi
Oh,
ako
yeah.
nagka-passport until 2015.
Kailan ka-
Wala akong passport.
Sabi ko sa'yo kung ba't ako may passport.
May undocumented po dito. Trixie.
Kasi nung nasa call center kami, you know, one thing about call center agents, palautang kami noon. So,
May loans kami.
We need a valid ID.
ID.
I
Oo nga
see.
pala.
Sorry.
Oh.
So, passport is one of the valid ID.
Yes.
Driving license was not an option for me before kasi ayoko talagang mag-try.
I remember the times na
passport
ginagawa
was
ko din
the
yan.
easiest. Diba?
Diba?
Di ba, no, sinasangla natin yung ATM natin noon.
Oh my God.
Well, looking
those
back,
were the days,
looking
yeah.
back, how would you assess your life right now?
Oh,
I mean, you're not completely okay now. We know that for
Yeah,
sure. Pero
but-
at least right now, you're trying to recover, di ba?
Yes.
How's things have been in the past few months?
past few months was really toxic.
Toxic.
Past few months were really toxic.
I
Siyempre, I
see.
correct myself
Yeah.
grammatically. Sorry. Yeah, it's really toxic, to be honest, to be completely honest. But, you know the cliche saying na malayo
Malayo pa, pero malayo
pero
na.
malayo na. So, yeah, I think sa'yo ko nabasa yun sa mga post mo. So, I follow you guys. Come on, I support you.
so much.
I cheer for you guys. So, yeah, diba? So
We
yeah,
cheer
I
for
mean,
you too.
Thank you. So yeah, I mean, it's been a roller coaster ride. Pero compared to where I've been, where we have been,
Yes.
sobrang
Malayo
iba.
na.
Yes.
Like what we always get to say na we don't worry about other stuff. Na
Yeah,
we
anymore.
even though ang hirap ngayon to survive, pero hindi namin iniisip na yung mga bagay na iniintindi ng iba para sa pamilya. I mean, you know, I'm
Yes.
able to send my son to a good school. May kinakain kami, naka-aircon pa rin kami sa gabi.
Kasi
Parang
dumating
ganun.
kami sa time ni Shay na taho na lang sa umaga yung pagkain namin. The whole shift will not have any food. Why? Because wala kaming pera. And Shay that time, sobrang madiskarte niya nung time na nag-work kami sa call center. She sells everything. She's from Bulacan and she would
Nakascare
go...
yung she sells everything. No?
Alam mo yun,
Pati dignidad.
ay hindi naman.
may mga
Except
bit-bit siyang,
yun.
may mga
May
bit-bit
exception.
siyang
Okay.
chicharon from Bulacan.
Yes.
Tapos ipapautang niya lahat sa floor yun.
Alam mo yung The Boys Chicharon, di ba sa Santa Maria, very famous yan. So, bumabiyahe ko, may bit-bit ako yung malalaking eco bag, chicharon, may iba-ibang klase, may back fat, merong pang munggo lang, yung mga ganun. Tas,
Grabe, napakadiskarte mo, no?
Oo, may Yossi pa
May
ako.
Yossi
I'm your
girl.
friendly neighborhood takatak girl. So sa call center, another interesting fact is maraming mahilig mag-Yossi.
Yes.
Kasi it gets us awake.
Yes.
Parang it keeps them awake. Parang ganyan. So kahit nagko-calls ako, thank you for calling Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Jersey. Sige, Ben. Multitasker talaga
Yung
ako.
style niya.
I'm a queen
Kumuha
of
ka.
multitasking.
Ikaw na rin magsukli sa sarili mo.
Yeah.
Ako yung nagpauso
May honesty
ng
store.
honesty store.
Yes.
Oo.
Okay.
Ganon.
That's nice.
So anything under the sun that I could sell, I do that. So ayun nga, going back, 2012, parang nung sinabi nga sa akin nung do you remember guys the fire that broke out in Bellagio?
Yes. Yes.
I
think
may not
that was
be here.
the same
Yeah.
year.
Oh, okay.
Yung parang a few days bago ako pumunta dito.
So
Oh
matagal
my
na siya.
God.
So, alam mo yun, 2012. So, parang
Okay.
alam mo yung, sabi na ba?
Oh, yeah.
Parang gano'n. So, parang, pero hindi na, tuloy na lang kasi sa ngayon, okay pa ako. Pero, how about in the next 2 or
Yes.
3 months, baka wala nang kainin yung anak ko. 4
Probably.
years old lang yung anak ko noon, so
Yes.
dumidede pa, di ba? So, baka wala na akong pambili ng gatas, ng diaper. And, like what I always, tell when I give these kinds of stories, when I started here, I started with a very, low, ano ba tawag dito? Salary. So,
Like how low are we talking about?
2,900.
Wow.
2,900.
I can't live with
Nabuhay ka.
2,900.
As a sales
No.
and-
But back then, it was
Back,
still
yeah,
valuable,
back,
diba?
medyo
Okay,
mataas
diba?
pa. Back
Oo.
in the day.
Baka yung biryani yun, 3 real
3
lang.
reals,
Hindi ko
Probably.
alam. Hindi ko na matandaan.
O, di siya nagbibiryani.
Hindi. Kasi may free meal kami sa hotel.
Okay.
Kubos kasi.
Masarap
Walang
ang pagkain
biryani,
namin
kubos
sa
lang
hotel.
kinakain.
So, I started as a sales and marketing secretary. I was with 15 Lebanese.
Oh.
So, I had a bet on my head that time na parang, may bago tayong secretary sa sales, ganyan. Pustahan, 6 months. Meron sa HR ang pusta, halimbawa, 3 months, isa 1 year, isa ganyan. Parang sabi ko, syempre ako, alam mo naman ako, very palaban talaga ako. Na parang, no, I'll prove you all wrong and you give me all your money. Parang, diba?
Pera talaga ever
Diba?
since.
Oo. So talagang yun, nagtagal ako sa kanila. And that's where also, parang I flourished.
You were shaped in that career.
Yes. So, I'm already a corporate girly in the Philippines. Pero here, mas na-train, mas na-enhance. So, you know what I'm talking about when I
Yes.
say Lebanese. Iba ang standards ng Lebanese, to be
True.
fair, right? So, that's how I was honed and, trained here. So, ang standards ko, mataas. Customer
It
service
applies to
wise,
everyone, everything.
documentation
Like-
wise, you know what I'm saying? So this is also what I teach my team, na parang we have to meet a certain standard.
Yes.
Hindi tayo pwedeng bahala na pwede na. No. And we get to apply this on our
That's
daily
actually one thing I
operations.
really admire about Kapbar and how you manage your people. Kasi I see it I see it.
Very
diba?
hands-on.
Even in the old, building. Okay, anyway, before we go there, may mga nagpapa-shoutout
Ayan,
muna
dami
sa
yun.
Madaming, madaming na kami sa iyo So, simulan
Hi,
natin kay
guys.
Bobby Ero. Sabi niya,
Yun.
yun. Si Pau
Talaga
Paule,
ba?
sabi niya, naka-speakers po ako sa bahay while watching.
Hi,
Ayan.
Yan.
Si Peter Paul Santos, good
Uy,
afternoon.
Pedro,
to
I
you.
miss
Hello,
you.
Ped.
And then,
Daddy.
sabi ni Floycel Ann Cruz Victorino, proud of you, Shay.
Yes, Mars. Thank
okay.
you so much.
Solid since 2007 daw, sabi ni Peter
Jurassic
Paul.
Days
Yes.
natin yan, Bev.
Yes. And then, sabi naman ni Mylen Dumas, here supporting Ate Trixie Lee. Oh.
Yes,
Kapatid
thank
ko
you.
Kaya,
O, diba? At least
Eto.
may family siya.
Empanada House. Miss Jane, good afternoon to you.
Hi,
Thank you
Miss
for
Jane.
watching.
Kailan ka
Support all the
dito?
way, Kapbar. We'll be there next week.
Yes.
Yes.
Empanada
Yeah.
House. Yes.
Already have a schedule. Oh, no, not really next week. A week after.
Yeah.
And then-
Looking forward.
Yes.
Lloyd Pineda.
Grabe daw yung accent, Nars.
Ay.
Sounds so American.
Normal yan. Maarte kasi.
Ito, hi daw sabi ni Joel Valledo.
Hello, sir.
Oh, shoutout naman dyan. Hi, Joel.
Shout out, Joel.
Balmaceda family, hello to
Yes,
all.
of
Thank you.
course. Hello,
Ang
Balmaceda.
daming nanonood ngayon. Okay, thank you guys for joining. It's gonna be a one fun afternoon. But right now, we'll take a quick break kasi nalimutan ko i-play yung intro natin. We'll be right back. You guys, stay where you are.
This Saturday on Live on Cue. Hey, let's all meet Shay. From dancing and hosting gigs to running a restaurant business in Doha, Qatar. She has so much more to offer in her career and exciting life adventures. January 25, Saturday, 4 p.m. at the Cap Bar, Doha Souk Mall. Only here on QCast.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to Live on Cue, where we talk about people, places, events, and more. Know their stories and understand valuable insights from our selected guests. Listen and watch our live video podcast together with your QCast hosts. Live on Cue, Only here on QCast.
Samahan niyo kami din eh. Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. May hope. Okay po. Samahan niyo ko kami.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. I am the original since 2017. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. Sa aming bagong simula.
Kung pikon lang yung ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, lamang oras pa sa gulo. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan lang. Dudulig yung walang labis, walang ulam. Yo-le-yo, are-le-yo, are-le-lo,
Ilan din gumagawa ni...
We're back here live on Q.
Nagulat ako, narinig ko yung boses niya bigla.
Cut pala yun. Yung recording medyo di okay, anyway. We're back here in live on Q. It's 5:26 in the afternoon. Still here with us, Francis Ting, and of course Trixie. And we have our special guest, Shay, from Lombard, Qatar. The one and only. Nag-iisa lang Okay, just so you know. Okay. Kailangan kong i-elaborate eh. Alright.
Hi,
And then,
hi, Elder.
yes.
Napasingit ako. Nakita ko kasi inano nila ako sa live.
Thank you guys for those watching right now. Thank you for joining our live podcast for this afternoon. It's really a fun and interesting talk together with Shay. It's been a while since I get to hang out with her. Since last time we have been working together, it was in 2019, and all of a sudden, you know what happened to the Kabayan Radio. But I still love the guys
No,
who
we
are there.
worked, we worked in Bar 974. We
Yeah,
tried to,
we
right?
tried to.
Until we were sabotaged. That's true. No, we were
yeah,
really.
yeah,
I did
yeah.
not mention anything,
Yes.
but we were.
It was
really.
actually a good plan. However, you know, it
Yeah.
may not be the
Yeah.
right and perfect time for us.
Ah,
but
yeah.
Yes.
we'll try. Maybe this year it could be.
Yeah.
You
Maybe
know,
it's
never
our-
know.
yeah.
It's never
Well-
too late to start again. Okay. Anyway, going
Yes.
back.
So, moving on to the next part, I would like to ask, when I came here, Shay is already a renowned host.
Wow.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
whatever event that is, it's always been the name Shay
Shay,
Tapan
yes.
that would resonate towards
Yeah.
this event. So,
Yes.
tell us how you started being a host.
Yes. So, I got discovered. I mean, dito sa Qatar.
Discovery Channel ba to?
No, kasi, di ba nga, nung 2012, ang first job ko dito, can I mention
Yeah, it's
where
okay.
I work?
It's fine.
Yeah, first job ko dito was in La Sigal Hotel. So, sales and marketing secretary ako doon. Tapos, parang, sabi nila, let's come up with a staff party.
Okay.
So, yung first ever staff party nila, I headed that. So, of course, syempre, merong mga head of departments,
Okay.
pero ako yung pinaka, nila, parang brains and, inorganize ko yun, which by far is still the most, memorable for them. Yung we call it, we have this inside joke na yung generation namin sa Lasigal, iba siya. So, yun, I spearheaded that, and then of course I hosted it. I told them I can do it. First time ko dito sa Qatar. Although I've been doing it in the Philippines
Okay.
na. Kasi nga in the Philippines, I've been with Magikerong Pilipino. So hawak nila ako. So mga magicians sila.
Magicians
Very
talaga?
quick lang, no. Ang style nila was, halimbawa, meron silang 3 event for tonight. So ako, ilalagay nila ako sa isang event, tas may ibang host dun sa dalawa.
I see.
So kaming mga host will we'll start the party, we'll keep it going until makalagari yung mga
Yung lahat ng
magician.
magician.
So habang wala pa sila, ako kaming mga host yung
front.
yes. So
I see.
that's why super trained kami. Best
I
in
see.
ad-lib, best in on the spot, very spontaneous lahat.
Nice.
Yeah, so yun. So I did that. Tapos yun, yung mga kasama namin sa Lasigal, may mga kasama ako doon na member sila ng Beats and Bites.
Oh,
Hello sa mga Beats and
okay.
Bites members dyan.
Yes,
So that's where the whole thing
org.
started.
Yes.
Okay,
So
that
my
makes
mother
sense.
org was Beats and Bites. So si Beats and Bites, kinuha nila ako initially as host din for them.
I
And
see.
then, syempre, hindi naman ako hindi ako dancer talaga na yung hard na dancer.
What do you mean?
Kasi nga,
Talented tayo eh.
pero kasi nga, versatile, maarte,
Yeah, yeah.
ambisyosa. Mahilig din akong sumayaw.
Yeah.
Kasi kami sumasayaw
Yeah.
kami dahil
Yeah, yeah,
sa
yeah.
Yung basics lang,
Yes.
yung ano lang. Pero
Pang Christmas party na sayaw.
yung mga ganon, oo. Pero nung college,
It counts.
pang cheer dance, ayun, pang cheer
yeah.
dance ako eh.
Nice.
Iba kasi yung mga hip-hop,
Yes,
yung mga ano,
yes.
iba yung pang cheer dance.
Yeah.
Mostly movements kasi sa cheer dance, diba? Rhythmic
I see.
movements. So, yung nag-start ako na salingkit lang. Halimbawa, may mga gigs kasi na ang required, for example, 10 adults. 8 lang yung adults namin. So, sasalang ako para makumpleto kami. Parang gano'n. Tapos, in and out. Parang gano'n.
Okay.
Diba? O kaya naman, pagka, merong kailangan ng ganito, weekday. Siyempre, mga working professionals din yung mga dancers. So, ako na lang ganyan. Masasaya, mag-unicorn dance lang kami sa mga birthday party. Nakatuto.
Unicorn dance.
As in, talagang I've been everywhere. I've been around.
Wow.
So, don't you dare tell me na dito ko lang nakuha ang opportunity. I am a jack of all trades. Pwede
Yeah.
So,
Well,
no. You
I
put
heard
me
I heard those
anywhere,
kinds
I
of
can
things
handle it.
before. Yes.
Nagulat ako kasi nung dumating ako dito, I was jobless. So nag-job search ako. Sabi ni Shay sa akin, "Mars, sumama ka sa akin." Sabi niya, ikaw ang mag-control ng music. So akala ko naman kung anong gagawin. Pagkakita ko kay Shay, naka-costume siya. Sabi ko,
What do you
Mars,
mean?
tayo. Nakapang-costume siya ng cheer dance or something. Doon tayo
parang
sa isang
ano
restaurant.
nga ako.
Tapos sabi ko, Mars,
Nagka-clown
anong
ako,
meron?
diba?
Sabi niya, ikaw mag-control, ako mag-host. So, pinapanood ko siya. I was watching her do the show while I was controlling the music for the kids. And after that, she gave me my salary. My first salary came from her. 100 reals just for
Nice.
controlling the music. Tapos may pa-take home pa akong pagkain.
Wow.
Sabi ko, Mars, miss na miss ko na yung pagkain Pilipino.
That is so
Sabi niya, huwag ka
generous.
mag-alala. Sabi niya, may pagkain ka mamaya. So, 3 araw kong kinakain kasi nga, marami. So, that's how I found out that she is not just, doing the marketing job in that hotel, but during
Doing
her rest
everything.
days, nagtatrabaho pa si bakla. And I was like, oh my God, nagpapahinga ka pa ba?
Minsan umabot ako sa
Bakla.
time na 2-3 events on a Friday.
Ayoko na
Meron
ganun.
sa umaga, bawa sa umaga corporate.
Corporate.
Tapos midday children's party. Tapos yung nighttime, either wedding or debut.
Pero right now, you kind of slow down a bit, diba?
Yes. My boss required me to focus
Yeah, kasi
in
may medyo,
lumbar and cap bar.
I mean, you really need to find time to handle this kasi it's a business.
Correct.
And then what you're doing is just something that you do on the side. And ito yung talaga yung income generating on a big scale eh. And then ito talaga yung love mo. I mean, would you
It's your
rather
passion.
think of it that way na parang ito yung talagang gusto mong gawin?
Probably.
Yes.
Kasi
And you enjoy it, right?
Yes. I love talking
That's
to
the most
people.
about it.
You know, I'm very
Mhm.
perky naman, diba?
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
love, being with a team, working with a team. I love teaching them. Kasi ako hindi ako yung pag may alam ka,
Yes.
you keep it to yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
Tinuturo ko talaga yan. Hands-on ako sa
Dapat
team
ganun tayo
for
lahat.
training.
Sana
Kasi, why would you keep it to yourself? Kapag pumalpak yan, kasalanan. diba? At
Makes
saka, at the same time, pagka nag-succeed yan, legacy ko yun.
Yeah.
Na parang I trained that.
Yes.
So moving on that part, how is Shay as a boss to the
Employees.
employees of Cap Bar and Lombard?
Hello?
Pag tinanong ba sila,
Dun, 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 dun.
say about you?
Ano na?
What would they say about you?
Ano?
May palakpak muna.
Kinabahan ako bigla.
Ano ba?
Hindi, Pretty ano naman ako. I set my boundaries.
Pretty lang.
Pretty lang. Buti nga kung pretty din.
Pretty
No, I
and-
set my boundaries.
Yes.
So, when it comes to work, which any ano naman, kahit before na...
Boundaries are always important, regardless of any situation.
So, kahit nung hotelier pa ako, nung nasa government, I worked also here for the semi-government actually. And then, or kahit if I'm doing hosting, if I'm doing radios, lahat. When it's work, it's work. Very focused ako, very strict ako. When it's work, it's work. Downtime or kahit yung mga training, yung mga ano, I'm very cool. No, sana sa inyo sasabihin nila. No, I'm okay with my team. You know, I make it a point na I wanna let them know na I take care of their welfare and I want them to be happy in what they're doing. Kasi if they're not happy, magmamanifest yun eh.
Yes,
Hindi nila
that's
magagawa
true.
ng maayos yung mga work
That's true.
nila. And then at the same time, very fair akong boss. So I look at both sides of the story all the time. And the customer is always right. Cliché does not apply to me. No, don't take it on a negative connotation. Okay, what I mean is, if you are harassing my
my
people,
staff,
yes.
you know, if you're harassing my people, you are not allowed to do that in my restaurant.
I concur with the same
Yes.
mentality.
So-
Kasi very important sa isang tao yung dignity.
Oo,
Yes, that's
tao yan.
Yeah.
Nagtatrabaho yan para sa pamilya nila. Pareho lang kayo na kapag siya, hindi siya naka-duty, pag off-duty siya, customer siya sa
Yes.
kabila.
Sa kabila, yes.
Diba?
We
Would
are
you
all
like it na
customers somewhere naman
gaganunin kayo? So, pero, syempre, on a professional scale pa rin na, excuse me, sir, wag po nating anuhin, ganyan.
Huwag niyo po itula.
Going back, I have a very important question. Ano tingin mo yung dahilan, even though you hit rock bottom, I'm pretty sure about it, you'd have a choice to go home, right?
Yeah.
And leave
But
everything behind.
yes, and then start over. But why did you choose to stay here and then keep going?
That's just not me. I've always been a fighter. I've always been, you know, someone who's gonna face you, you know, head on. And I'm gonna tell you straight to your face that you pissed me off. Parang ganon, diba? So, I mean, but most especially, if what I'm fighting for is something that is right and is worth fighting for, if I give up, I'm not only giving up for myself, I'm giving up for the entire team. And, I mean, di naman sa nagpapaka-hero effect or something, pero may mga pamilya yan, lahat
Yes,
umasa,
yes.
lahat
True.
nagtiwala sa'yo.
And they gave their share for the success of your
Correct.
business.
Yes. I always tell
Everyone
them that.
everyone plays a big part.
Although-
Small or big,
Yes,
it's still a
yes.
contribution. Mhm.
Although, you know, hindi naman tayo perfect. There would be
Nobody
times
is.
that, you know, it'll hit you na
Yeah.
I did not come here to fight.
Yes.
I came here for my son, you know, to work for my son,
Yeah.
to provide for him. So why am I even here? Why am I even doing this? Pero kapag meron ka uli nakitang bagong it triggers you na naman.
Yeah.
Parang,
Alam mo, we have a lot of
You're
moments
right.
like that, diba? Minsan sinasabi mo sa akin,
Correct. Yeah.
she even asked me, paano mo ba to, Francis, nahandle mo ganitong bagay? Di ba naalala mo yan? Sabi ko, I just let it pass. I just really let it pass. Kasi, the moment you get affected, ikaw yung lugi dun eh.
True.
Di ba? And
But,
that's- Diba?
you know, it's easier said than done,
yeah,
right?
it's easier said than that, but it takes a lot of practice talaga.
Yeah. So I
To
always
get it
ask
done.
friends, okay ka na? And he was like, yaya mo na, babe. I'm like, ano, hindi. But, you know, Francis. He's like, babalik siya sa pagiging perky niya. And, ganun na lang.
Yun nga
Tries
yung
to-
ano
They
eh,
won't
sa
matter
mga-
kasi at the end of the day, they won't matter. What matters is you. Ikaw
But
pa
you
din eh.
know, our type of people, yung personality natin na parang laging happy, laging perky. Di ba, this is where we get misunderstood all the time.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
true.
They
Kasi
take
lagi
advantage of it.
parang
Abnormal
ganyan.
daw tayo.
I mean, di ba? Lalo ako, very ano kasi ako eh. Paano, hindi ko alam ang
People-oriented.
exact term eh. Na halimbawa, galit na galit ako today, mainit ang ulo ko today. Pero maya-maya, parang kala mo parang wala lang ako pinagdaanan. Kasi tulad ngayon, nagkakwentuhan tayo, masaya. So,
May
masaya
reset
rin ako,
button, no?
ganyan. Pag uwi mo, yan na naman, parang krung-krung ka na naman. Oh my God. Diba? Parang ganon. Ganon ako eh. I adapt easily. I'm very flexible. So, iniisip tuloy nung iba, you're okay. And they can just, you know, get on you like that. Pero come on, be nice, man. I mean, everyone's
kindness is free.
hustling and yes. I
Yeah.
tell my son this one all the time.
It doesn't hard.
Always
It's
be the
not really
better
hard to be a
person.
kind person.
Yeah.
Like all the time.
Kami naman ni
Diba?
Pedro, lagi namin sinasabi, it could have been worse.
Yes.
So, yun
So-
yung laging term namin na parang, this happened, well, it could have been worse. Laging
Yeah.
pinapaalala ni Pedro sa akin yun na, yung time na, whenever I tell him that, Shay and I were talking, and sabi mo kay Shay, it could have been worse.
Yeah.
Pero
This
yun
is what
lang,
I
yun iniisip
practice
namin
now.
palagi.
Yun nga yun, yung medyo kinokondisyon ko yung sarili ko na there's always a reason why it happened.
Yeah.
It could have been worse. And then I'd think about, dati nga, ito, yung pinagdaan ako. Pero there would be times that even
Dito
like
pa
what
rin
I told my mom na parang, kasi my mom would comfort you and, tell you na, hindi bibigay sa'yo yan ng nasa taas na hindi
Correct.
mo kaya.
Correct. Wala
Pero
siyang
that's
ibibigay na di mo
always the
kaya.
reason. That's always what everyone tells you. So ako naman, parang that time, sabi ko sa mami ko, nakakapagod din naman, ma. Ba't ako lagi? Alam ko naman
Ikaw yung
yun.
warrior
Parang
palagi.
sabi ko, alam ko naman yun, ma. I know that. And I know I can handle it. Pero napapagod din ako. Pwede bang pahinga? Bakit ako lagi? Parang
Trust the process. Wala bang mabilis na process?
Di ba? Yung shortcut process.
Pero di ba?
Wala
Di
bang
ba,
lagay?
come to think of it, few years after those kinds of things happen, when you look back,
Yes.
parang where you are right now, parang
Yes.
na-appreciate mo yung moment na yan. Yes,
True.
because that situation made you a lot stronger.
Yes.
Di ba? You will never be this kind of person today without those trials that you've been
And
through.
another thing, it's very important that you select your circle. Kasi
Aha.
the circle,
Yan ang gusto ko usapan.
Do you wanna get to get
I select my square.
Are you sure?
for us?
Are you sure you want me on this interview? The last person who had me,
about this.
the last person who had me on this interview in this very same spot,
Good.
garnered
Awarding na naman ito.
Si Pao ba? Si Pao. Ay, Pao.
He got about.
He's watching right now, Pao
Hi,
Paole.
Pao.
Ayaw
He
yung
got
ayaw yung mag-guess sa Q kasi. Sabi ko, anyway,
Antayin
going back.
mo, malapit na yan.
Going back.
Ingitero yun. So nakita niya na guess na ako. Nag-guess na rin siya.
Going
So
back.
he got about 40,000 views.
Oh my God.
On my, ano bang tawag doon? Basta yung
Guesting.
part
Yung
na-
yung
segment.
short clip.
yung short
Yeah,
clip.
yes,
Oh, yung
yes.
short
Yeah, I
clip
know
na
that.
ako. 40,000. I'm
Pao,
sorry.
baka naman. Gusto
I'm
ko
Sana
sorry.
rin.
ma-convertible to cash.
Correct nga eh. Sabi ko, sana naman lang nag-monetize para may pakinabang yung mga chismosa. No, but Pao, I'm sorry I dragged you into that,
Yeah.
and thank you for being, professional enough to be able
Yeah.
to handle it, and our friendship wasn't affected at all.
Yes.
But I mean, ito, lagi din sinasabi sa akin ng boss ko dahil nga krung-krung ako lately lagi. Sabi niya, you do not have control over anything and everything.
True. That's
So,
true.
especially those people, those kinds of people. So, yeah, I know, pero I've been nice and I've been kind to
Yun nga,
them.
no? Minsan, alam mo ma, that,
Kuha mo yung
that's the
correct.
same
Oo,
thing.
kuha ko yun.
I'll have to
Kuha ko
agree with you.
yun.
Ganito kasi yun eh.
Diba?
Yeah, sometimes you have
3
you
hours
have done.
pa
I agree with you.
Yan pa yung story ko eh.
Teka muna. Kasi I share the same sentiments din kasi sometimes you have done so much for them.
Correct.
And then parang di nila na-appreciate yung mga ginawa mo,
It's
di ba?
not like you're asking
Yeah,
anything
yeah.
for anything in return.
Exactly,
It's not that.
exactly.
It's different,
But
diba?
it hits you different as well if
Yes.
they don't they don't do the same thing, but they treat you differently. Yung parang wala kang ginawang tama. Yun
And
talaga
that
yung
would
masakit
really
eh.
pain you
Yes.
afterwards.
You know what makes it hard because you treat these people as friends.
That's true.
Kumbaga,
That's true.
yun yung binigay mo sa kanila, yung friendship eh. And then
Correct.
eventually,
In return,
on their surface, hindi ka kaibigan. Diba?
Parang
Kasi,
kakompetensya yung tingin
yeah,
sa'yo.
yeah, yeah. Kasi yung totoong kaibigan, anything that you talk about, especially the details which matters most about that person, na medyo
Yes.
sensitive, you will not spread it out eh.
Totoo.
Yes.
Totoo.
Regardless of the situation.
Poker face ka lang
Yeah.
dapat. Pag
Yes.
narinig mo yung
Dapat
chismis
ganun.
about your friend,
Yeah.
Parang wala lang.
And
First
then-
time.
Ganun yung
and then
totoong
the next
kaibigan.
thing to do
Yeah.
is you tell your friend.
Yeah.
Yes. Bakla, merong chika sa'yo. Is it true or not?
Yeah, yeah.
That's
Because
true.
I would
Yeah.
appreciate someone who would go talk to me straight to the face.
Yeah, I do that
Yes,
to you,
that's
di ba?
right.
All the time.
And also,
All the time.
Yes,
I
and
approach
ask me,
them.
Uche,
Yeah.
I heard this, totoo ba to? Parang ganon. So you get it straight from me.
Yes. Yes.
Instead of spreading it, di ba?
sa totoo bang masarap ang Lomi sa Lomi.
Oh naman.
No questions asked.
Yun lang naman ang gusto kong malaman kasi mamaya titikman natin.
Ay, we were promised a dinner later on. So it's almost 6 o'clock by the way.
Yun yung kinain
Naka
ko,
muna.
yung mga
Napapasarap ang kwentuhan eh. Balikan natin yung mga nagpapa-shoutout. Baka
Ayan,
makalimutan
okay.
ko itong mga to eh.
Oy,
Sige, go ahead.
Dr.
Kim.
Lay is
Hi, Lay.
watching.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Hi, Lay.
Dr. Lay,
Gusto mo yung renowned?
full glam ang Mars ko.
Sige, go ahead.
Loming Barako says, may kape ba kayo dyan? Hindi ako marunong magbatanggenyo.
Ubus na po.
Pero masarap ang kape.
Ubus na, boss.
McCoy is watching as well. And Jonna from Cubao.
Hello.
Si
Kuya
Kebong.
Giro. Sis Kuya Giro. Lodi ko yan si Madam Shay Tapas.
He's from FBQ before.
Hindi, si Kuya Jiro yung...
Yung photographer.
Yes,
Ah, si
Yeah.
Kuya Giro.
Yeah.
Hindi ko siya kilala. Pero hi po.
Kami yung Uy, tayo,
Yeah.
team natin.
Yeah,
versus
yes,
yung
yes.
wedding niya, di ba?
Yes, yeah. Si Kebong, he's also watching.
Kebong. Hi,
Yeah.
Kebong.
Good afternoon to you.
Kantahan mo naman kami dito.
Yes. Actually, we have
Sana
a plan.
maulit muli ang pag-guest ni Kebong.
Team building na daw agad, Maring Shay.
Oh my God, yung mga team building namin noon, laging Laguna, Hot Spring.
Wala namang ibang pupunta.
Diba?
no?
Pag sa call center, nung call center days namin ni Shay, we were like, kahit, alam mo yung pagod na pagod ka sa gabi, pero pag team building the next day, buong-buo yung energy namin after
Powerful
shift.
kami.
Oo.
Ganun
Tapos,
naman talaga?
Yung video, parang wala nang bukas, nasa amin na lang ni Shay.
Grabe kami.
Set namin yun.
Grabe yung lifestyle namin noon.
Pag bata ka pa, madami kang energy.
Oo.
Oo.
Bata pa naman
It comes
kami
with age.
ngayon.
Bata pa. Hello, bata pa.
Parang siya lang yung bata.
We
no?
were stuck in 25. We're still 25 until now.
Actually, confused
I
na
lost count
ako
when
sa
I
age.
reached 25.
Hindi totoo. Hindi ko matandaan
Oh.
kung ano yung age ko eh.
Ako may tanong ako.
Yes,
Kasi kanina
po.
pa pinag-uusapan yung host,
Yes,
yung business. Ako may tanong, how is Shay as a mom?
As a mom, I hope my son is watching.
Hi sa mga inaanak. Chap.
May poging anak.
Yes.
Hi. No, as a mom, I'm balanse rin. So, parang kung paano rin ako sa team, ganun din as a mom. I balance everything. Like, I'm strict when I'm needed to be strict. Pero I'm a very cool mom. So, probably hindi balance because it's not the usual ano eh. Kasi ako like, halimbawa, nung ang mami ko, talagang hinaiblag na yung mami ko sa galit sa anak ko. Eh nung, syempre nag-report yung mami ko. May group chat kaming magkakapatid eh. Yung mami ko. So report siya doon with photos. Nahuli daw niya yung anak ko tumakas. Ganyan. Minessage ko yung anak ko, ba't ka naman nagpahuli?
Yun.
Parang hindi. Parang ano lang ako. Parang I was setting the mood. Na parang, ba't ka naman nagpahuli? Tapos sabi niya, oh ma'am, ganyan. Nag-explain naman yung anak ko. But then later on, I transitioned to being, you know, the good mother na. Next, anak, I mean, I don't have anything against ganito, but please do not do this, do not do like this, and that, and you know, these stuff. Because you're still young to be doing that. I understand the situation. Parang, you know, yung mga natutunan natin professionally na yung handling complaints, you apply it din.
Yeah,
eh.
that's true.
Kasi it's effective na you empathize first and then you before you give an actual solution.
I
Parang
understand
ganyan.
what you're going
Oo.
through.
And I want,
Ganon.
and actually, ako kasi, ang gusto ko sa anak ko, I mean, ang gusto ko ang lagi kong pinapaintindi sa anak ko, when you did something wrong, or in the future, probably you'll screw up. Everyone does, diba? So, if you screw up one day, big time, you come to me.
Yeah,
Hindi
that's
yung
true.
takot ka
Oo.
dahil shucks may nagawa akong masama, yagot ako sa nanay ko. Hindi ganon. You come to me because I know what to do.
Yeah, like
Because
I've
I
been
will
there,
take
done
care
that.
of you. Diba? Diba? I will take care of you. I will protect you.
parang ikaw yung kanyang safe place.
Ganon.
It's nice.
Tsaka nakakatuwa yan si Shay. One time, may program si Shop sa school na sumayaw. Then pagkatapos, in-evaluate niya yung sayaw. Dapat inangasan mo pa. Dapat
Ay, hindi.
Yung mga yun
Ano
yun,
yun?
diba?
Parang general rehearsal.
Oo, yun.
Napanood ko
Oo.
yung, sinend, kasi nasa group chat ako ng parents. So, sinend nila yung video nung final, ano. So, sabi, nakita ko
Final
yung mga
coaching.
highlights sa anak ko.
Oh.
Siya yung nagba-backflip.
Oh, wow.
Siya yung meron siyang ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, anak, ganito ang gagawin. Yung part na ganito, medyo gaganyan ka, ganyan.
Ayan.
Tapos punta ka sa harap, tapos angas ka. Kasi hip-hop eh.
Yeah.
And I was very happy that time kasi
Nasa Beats and
sumasayaw
Bites ka
ako
din
eh.
that
Oo,
time.
sumasayaw ako.
Yes.
So, seeing my son doing the same, Sabi ko, shucks, ang galing-galing niya. Parang, tapos siya yung highlight, siya yung bina-backflip, tapos meron pa siyang, ano kasi tawag doon, Francis, yung parang nagti-TikTok siya sa harap. TikTok ang
TikTok,
tawag
TikTok,
doon.
yeah.
May solo
yeah,
siya.
yeah.
Step na yon.
May solo
Ganun,
part
ganun.
siya.
Oo, yan. May mga ganun siya. Dahan-dahan ng mga kasukasuan. Hindi na tanda na.
Ayun.
Yun, so tinuturo, I coach him na next time, anak. Tapos the following year, sa cheer dance naman, pinanood ko sa, sa page ng Beda ako, nagsustok eh. Nakita ko yung buhok ng anak ko. Ang dami niyang, nakita ko yung performance ng anak ko, ang dami niyang extra movements.
Wow.
Kasi, hindi, extra movements
okay.
is not
So,
wow.
not
Kasi
wow.
May may ad-lib.
May
kumbaga.
ad-lib.
May
ang buhok
ad-lib.
niya kasi, yung pang Korea na
Yung gumaganon.
So, kada parang pak, 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 pak.
Kasi nagpupunta sa mata.
Sabi ko, diba?
Yun ang bilangan,
Uy,
yun ang
ganun
bilangan ng mga
counting
Gen Z.
ngayon. Oo. Ganyan ang counting ngayon.
Yun eh.
Dati tayo,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Ngayon, ang mga dancers ngayon, pak, pak,
Yeah. Pak.
oh, diba? Ganun na
Ay,
ngayon.
ang dami extra move.
Sobra sa manok.
Gina
Pak.
na.
Puro siya ganyan. Ganyan. Anak, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Ang dami mga extra movements. First of all, if you are competing, sinong coach nyo dyan? Ganyan ba ako? Bakit hinayaan ng coach na hindi pare-pareho ang itsura?
Okay.
Sa cheer dance competition,
Dapat pare-pare.
uniformity is
Uniform.
very
Yes.
important. Kailangan pare-pareho kayo ng itsura, pare-pareho kayo ng galaw.
Leveling.
So,
Mga
bakit
ganun.
hinayaan na yung mga buhok nyo hindi naka-braids or hindi kayo naka-headband or parang gano'n, diba?
Para hindi nakaka-istorbo
oo.
sana.
Tsaka dapat nga, uniform yung itsura nyo eh. So, ikaw galaw ka tuloy ng galaw. Hayaan mo na, ma'am. Sabi ko, other than that, you did well.
Evaluation
Sa
talaga.
bandang huli.
Ako naman, kasi nakilala ko si Shane, nata sa host, nata sa RJ, hindi ko alam. Nakilala ko siya sa Education City Golf Club.
Oh, yes.
That was the time na nag-golf pa kami.
Siya yung tagapulot ng bola.
Hindi naman, pero ang nakakatuwa talaga kay Shane. Ganon. Ang nakakatuwa talaga sa kanya kasi she was very hands-on.
Yes.
Yung tipong marunong din siya.
Well,
Kasi hindi
wala
lang siya
talaga akong question kay
nagmamarket.
Shay pagdating sa ganun. Talagang hands-on talaga siya.
Nakakatuwa.
I
Ayun.
treat every company that I worked for as mine.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, because, and this is also what I teach my team now. You take ownership.
Yeah.
Kasi
Yes.
you will not be able to perform your 100% if you wouldn't, parang treat it as your own.
Yes.
Parang you just come
thanks
in.
for the coffee.
Ay, taray. Hi, Abdullah.
Oh, this is cold na.
I think it's iced tea.
Iced tea. Ito pa.
Iced tea. Homemade iced tea. Of
Yan.
Ako.
Diba?
Thank you.
Ayun.
Unlimited supply.
Thank you, dear.
Mag-podcast muna kayo.
Makakala, unlimited supply. Ikaw talaga.
Kung wala kayong pang podcast, wala kayo.
Nakakaloka.
Baka may magwala na naman.
Yeah, I remember.
Ay.
May dinala akong galing Pilipinas yata. Dinala ko sa Education City Golf Club. After nun,
Kami,
I found myself na nag-golf na rin. Kasama yung
Because of
kumare
her,
ko.
I see.
Ay, may story ako. Meron akong isang, di ba nag-host ako ng mga wedding. So, may isang guest ako doon. Lagi ko siyang nakikita sa mga weddings. Parang lagi siyang, kasi groomsmen. Okay. So, parang isa lagi siya sa mga groomsmen.
Lagi
So,
imbitado.
Oo. So, natatandaan ko na siya. Eh, di ba nga lagi ako nag-events dati. Tapos one time, habang nag-rounds ako doon sa golf club, nakita ko sila. Same, parang may friends, group
circle.
of friends siya doon. Nakita ko siya. Hindi ko kilala yung iba niya. Pero siya kasi nga, natandaan ko siya. So, parang nakita kami doon. Hi, sir! Sabi ko, welcome po sa ECGC. Ganyan-ganyan ako. Tapos sabi ko, it's good to see you. Tapos natandaan niya rin ako, ma'am, ba't nandito ka rin? Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, dito po talaga yung
Work.
proper
Yeah.
job ko. Oo. Tapos sabi ko, side hustles ko lang yung mga hosting.
Hosting,
ganyan. Tapos, eto na. At that time kasi, parang I was, back-end marketing lang ako ng Lombard. So, may proper job pa ako before. Pero tapos, parang after work, dumiretso ako ng Lombard, check ko yung operations, ganyan. Nakita ko siya uli sa taas.
Sinusundan mo ba ako? Are you following me?
So, alam mo yun, nung nasa golf, binigyan
Ang
ko sila
awkward
ng,
nun, no?
binigyan ko sila ng complimentary basket. Tapos, nung pagdating ko naman sa binigyan ko sila ng
Lom.
discount sa Lombard. Tapos sabi ko, hi sir, nilapit ako ulit siya. Sir, welcome po sa Lombard. Sabi ko ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, ma'am, ikaw na naman. Asa ka ba talaga? Bakit you're everywhere? Parang sabi siguro niya, are you walking.
Probably. Okay.
Sabi ko, minamanage
My
ko rin
God.
kasi to. Sabi ko,
Anyway.
sa,
Having accomplished so much in life na, I would say na madami ka na rin talaga naabot, diba? From being an RJ, hosting gigs, as a dancer, right now managing business and so on. Ano pa tingin mo yung gusto mong ma-accomplish sa buhay?
peace of mind.
Uy! Ako na, hindi nabibili yun eh. Hindi. Yeah, peace of mind problem.
Peace of
Pero
mind, oo.
it's hard. I mean, as long as you live, di ka magkakaroon ng peace of mind.
Totoo
Honestly.
nga rin naman.
The peace of mind is it's a choice. Okay?
It's a choice.
It's a
True.
choice. And sometimes as humans, we are tempted to be out of that context every time may nangyayari. So di mo talaga siya ma-achieve totally.
Ang hirap control.
Okay. Let's talk about things that you want to achieve. Like for example, meron ka ng cup bar, meron ka ng lumbar cutter. What do you see like in the future?
Okay, business-wise,
Yeah,
if you're talking about business-wise.
Siguro let's try to dissect business-wise, career-wise.
Personal.
Business-wise, we want to grow more.
Okay.
You know, we want to have more branches.
Yes.
We want to expand. Actually, kasi we were there na.
Yes.
We were there na.
Yes.
We expanded already. So we had the restaurant and then we had the cafe.
Yes.
Because the owner told me na siya gusto ko ng kapihan. Gusto ko ng sarili kong kapihan. Pangarap niya na magkaroon ng kapihan. So Shay, being the ambisyosa and the bida-bidawan, diba? So sabi ko, wait.
There's
Following
more.
day,
You came up
the
with the
following
plan.
week, may pinamimit na ako sa kanyang business
Naalala ko yun,
developer.
nag-taste test tayo ng coffee.
Diba?
Yeah.
Tapos,
Isa rin ako sa
During
mga
those
nag-taste
times,
test
we're
dito.
trying to plan out
Yeah.
for Bar 974. I
Yes.
remember
So,
those days.
nag-trade test na ng coffee, kung saan kukuha ng coffee beans, branding and all. So, I spearheaded Kapeng Barako. So, that was his dream. And then, sabi niya sa akin, Shay, I want four brand in 2024. I want 4 branches. So we were supposed to reach that
see.
when,
Yeah,
however,
those things
things
happen.
happened.
Okay.
So which again, wala nga tayong control over
Yes.
it. But yeah, so we move
We
on.
move on.
So we are, to answer the questions, yes, we still want to be expanding. We still want to be, opening a couple of more branches. And we're going to be doing a lot of, what do you call this one? Yung varieties. We're going to be adding a lot on the
A lot of
menu.
flavors.
Yes, so to be able to, establish again yung being unique. And
Yes.
because we're not into the gaya-gaya, it's very important for us na
Unique yung
Gaya-gaya.
pagkain.
Yun ang gaya-gaya thing.
no, because this is how
Yes.
you, ano ba yung sinasabi lagi ng boss ko? This is how you create
Yes.
your brand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diba? So,
It's very important.
that's also precisely why the specialties that we have on the menu are all homemade.
Homemade.
Hindi
Homemade,
namin
yes.
po yan inaangkat or binibili. The Mickey, we make it ourselves. The pandesal, the muffin, even the boba on your milk
Yes.
tea. It's homemade. Hindi namin yan
hindi siya
binibili
supply
na,
na ano.
nakasaguna tapos pinakukuluan.
Yes.
Minamasa yan ng mga,
Wow.
ang mga kasama
Nice.
namin sa work. Oo.
Okay.
Tapos yun, basta marami puro homemade
Yeah.
ka. Pizza dough, by the way.
So,
So,
to
So
get
it's part of the
more,
business plan.
yes.
Okay, but how about you as a person?
As a
Ano yun?
person,
Your personal, goals.
goals.
ako,
Magkaroon ng Ferrari, charot.
alam mo,
Ayun.
to be honest with you, with
Ferrari
everything-
talaga.
Ayoko yun, mahirap yun.
I-maintain.
No. With everything that I went through the past few months, as in swear, ang iniisip ko na lang ngayon, nasya-shock nga rin yung mga kasama ko, sila Ate Nanet, sila Carla, kapag sinasabi ko, ang goal ko na lang ngayon is mapatapos yung anak ko.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Sabi ko nga parang 5 years na lang ata. 5 or 6. Kasi ano na siya Litong-lito kasi ako dyan sa K-12
na yan.
Yes. Anong
Ilang
grade
taon
na ba
pa
siya?
11 ata.
So one more
So, may
year,
isa pa,
grade 12,
diba?
and then college.
Oo,
Sa
tas
K
yung
to 12
college, depende kasi yung kung anong course.
yes.
Ang gulo kasi parang sa 11 at sa 12 parang may prerequisite
Oo,
na sila.
meron ka
Parang
nang
meron
pipiliin na
na.
course
Yes.
for
diba?
that.
May STEM,
Yes.
may
Yes.
Yes.
kung ano pa.
Dami-daming gusto mangyari ng gobyerno.
Oo. But anyway, so yun lang. For now, kasi nga sobrang ang dami kong hinahandle nowadays. Mentally, physically, and all that
Yes.
stuff that you wanna say, Lily.
Yeah.
Diba? Yun lang muna
Take a
ako
break.
for now. I just wanna take a break
Yeah.
actually and focus on
The things that matters
yeah.
most.
So ngayon I wanna go back to why I even came here. So kailangan lang mapagtapos ko yung anak ko and then we start again from there. You're never too young to start all over.
Yes, that's
Totoo.
true.
And besides, we're still young.
I
Yeah.
am.
Yeah.
We're
we
still
are.
young.
Yeah.
Forever. Taka muna. May napakahabang mensahe si Bobby sa screen. Natatpa na
my
yung buong
God.
screen natin
Nakakatuwa
kanina.
naman si DJ Bobby.
Sabi niya, I remember siya nung naging host in one of my big event. Host na may intermission number pa. Galing
all around.
Di nagpabayad. Di nagpabayad.
Wow.
Oh, ngayon kami maniningil.
No. Oh yeah, it's good.
But
let
after
us talk
that,
about that.
Lahat
Kasi-
nagtanong sa akin, siya ang tinuturo ko. Ayan.
Hindi ako nagpabayad kasi it was probably a community
Yeah.
event. Kasi ako, since I started with a community, it has always been me giving back. Na,
Yes.
It's my giving back thing na if the community will give me TF, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. I'll gladly take it. But if you'll tell me, if they come to me and they'll tell me na, sorry Shay, walang budget, okay lang ba? Ito lang, ganyan. There's no questions asked
Yeah.
on that.
You have to be transparent. with us.
Because I always will give back to the community
Yes.
where I started. So it has always been my
Yeah.
prinsipyo na walang problema. Lalo
Pero
na,
minsan, di ba? I mean, the way they
but
do
you have
it.
to be honest with me.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The way you do it
meron-
kasi minsan.
Uy, wait lang.
Meron last time.
Di ba kasi
niya
minsan
sa amin,
na-abuse tayo sa
sabi niya
partner
sa
mo
amin,
eh.
dalawa kami nito nung friend mo. Sabi niya sa amin, sabi sa amin ng organizer,
Teka muna.
okay lang ba?
Si H ba to?
It was
Okay,
ano
okay.
it was a 3-day stint.
Okay.
And then, parang full day siya. So, parang sabi sa amin, for the community, may wala din kasing budget. So, eto lang yung may provide. Sabi ko, okay, no problem. Pero, eto yung demands namin na parang food and then sagutin yung, kasi ako, iba-ibang segment. So, kailangan ko ng damit. Kailangan ko ng makeup.
Inom ka mo ng tubig. Namamalat ka na.
I-provide nyo yun. Kasi, hindi ako magbabayad na para, di ba,
Yeah,
wala
yeah,
lang.
yeah. It's too
Pero
much.
okay lang, sige TF, no worries. Later on, nalaman namin may budget.
Ay, oo. Parang alam ko yan. Dapat kasama ako dun eh. Pero
Hindi, wala
na to.
ka pa
Ay, hindi
nun,
pa ba?
wala
Ay,
ka pa nun.
matagal na pala. Sorry. Kasi ganyan din yung nangyari nung recent. May budget pala. Bakit di nun nililibre yung ano?
Oh my
PF?
God.
You don't even have to lie to us.
Yes.
You just have to
yes.
tell us, na sorry,
Straight,
Shay,
oo.
may budget kaso kasi ito ay ganito, nagamit namin sa ano.
Yeah,
Okay
yeah.
lang, we would understand. And at the end of the
Transparency
day,
baga.
diba? Oo.
Transparency.
Yeah.
We need
Oo.
that every time.
Yun lang,
Okay.
ganun lang.
Anyway.
Nakakatawa.
Ang saya ng
Sabi ni
discussion na to.
Pedro,
No? Daming...
taking calls while collecting breast milk is how the standard was set by Shay. Ito yung nakakatawang part, yes. Kasi before, nung mga dalaga kami ni Shay, si Shay ang una nagka-baby. So, right after her maternity leave,
Siyempre, kailangan nang
nagtatrabaho na
bumalik.
siya.
Oo. Siyempre, may gatas pa.
Oo. So, alam mo yun, habang, sa call center kasi, wala kaming room for breastfeeding
Wala.
mothers.
Hindi
that
pa
time.
uso yun,
Hindi pa
no?
uso.
okay.
So, jacket lang, and then,
Gumot
lang, oo. Pag nagka-call, ipump mo.
Kasi, ano yun eh,
Tuloy-tuloy,
multitasking eh. So,
multitask,
nagaganyan ka.
nagko-calls.
Oo, mouse.
I-pump
ganyan.
mo.
Oo, kasi kaya umaga, si shop, kailangan ng gatas.
I
Pag uwi
see.
So,
ni Shay,
kaya naman,
oo.
kapag ka puno na, so, yeah, I can see here on your screen that inaabot
Basta
ko na
mo
kay
kay Pedro.
Pedro.
Ilagay mo sa ref.
I can see here on your screen that you did not pay your
Claims,
premium
ano.
last So, inaabot ko na yung pump.
Yung gatas.
Kasi may
Pag
mga
nila yun
magbe-break
sa
na,
sila
lalagay
na
sa
yung-
ref.
Sila na yung maglalagay sa ref, ganyan.
Ganon kami ka-solid dun sa call
Nakakatawa
center.
naman.
Amazing. You really have like a good,
Kaya nga
nice
sabi
story.
ko, like ko sinasabi sa mga team members ko, reyna ako ng multitasking. So, hindi nyo ako pwedeng palusutan ng palusutan. diba?
It's actually a good training ground for you. Wanna say hi to Sir Oya Francia. Sabi niya, suki ng Piscatarian si Shay.
Yes.
Daming
Sir Oya.
suki.
Alam mo yung mga audience natin this afternoon, these are like the listeners
Namiss
of
nila.
Yeah.
our former station. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
They've always been there for
Yeah,
us.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you
we
so
appreciate the
much.
support that you guys are giving us. I hope you could also follow us on QCast. So this is a platform where we highlight the people who are influential in this country, especially for our Filipino community. And again, na-appreciate namin you finally took time to be with us, Shay.
Ang tagal,
Yeah.
diba?
Oo nga eh.
Ang tagal.
So, alam mo kung sobrang pahirapan tong taon.
No, let me explain.
Huwag ka na mag-explain.
and
Nandito ka
I
na.
understand naman.
No,
I understand
okay
naman.
na.
You know
I
me.
understand,
As
yes.
much as I can support, I would do
Yes,
so.
but she was so
But I
busy
was
that
legally
time.
bound
Yes, yes,
before.
yes,
yes.
You know,
I
and,
understand.
we were not legally allowed to do anything
Yes.
yet.
Yes.
But now, things are getting better.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
Yeah.
it will, keep
And
on
we
being.
hope for continuous
Yeah.
Yes, that's what we are
Progression.
always aiming for and hoping for, that everything will be fine.
Yeah.
And gusto lang natin magkaroon ng negosyo na maayos at malinis.
True.
So,
We don't
That's
even call it negosyo.
And marangal.
Sa team
Marangal.
namin,
Yes.
we don't even call it negosyo. We call it hanap
Go, go, go!
buhay.
ano? Go, negosyo.
Hanap buhay.
Hanap
Buhay.
buhay.
Go, go, go!
and see, this is how small things
Yeah.
small things that we do in the management.
Yes.
na we also try our best not to pertain to our employees as staff.
Yes.
Parang ganyan. We call them team members.
Team
Parang
members,
ganyan,
correct.
diba? Kasi we value yung moral din nila. You have to make them feel that they're valued.
Yes.
Kasi again,
Yeah.
at the end
I
of
think
the day,
it's
tao
very
yan.
important. Kasi if someone doesn't feel valued in an organization, the tendency is they will leave. Ganun yun. And I think your attrition rate,
Attrition rate.
di ba mababa, di ba? I mean, some of the employees really stuck with you since day one.
Especially
Yes.
si
Until the time na nangyari yun. Di ba? Which means you have good management in terms of
Yes.
people
They stayed.
skills. Di ba?
That's another thing that we do not have much control of
Yes.
then.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
yun nga yung dahil
Yeah.
nangyari doon. Pero I wouldn't say na like the factors that
Yes.
that would be considered na dahil aalis sila, like yung salary, yung
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
hindi dahil doon. Kasi we have always given them proper
It's not always the reason. Ako, if you were to ask me, preference to akong good boss, high salary pero pangit yung boss, I'd still go back to my good boss.
Good boss
Kasi
talaga. Ako
you
din.
come to work with a fresh mind and walang baggage ba na parang it's hard to come to work and seeing the person you hate the most.
Totoo yan.
Diba?
Totoo.
Pag
What's the
masaya ka,
motivation?
oo,
Diba?
totoo.
Pag
Parang if
masaya
you
ka
come
sa
to work,
ginagawa
yeah.
mo, di
It's the most
mag-side
important
hustle
thing.
ka kung
Yeah.
kulang.
Yes,
Ganun
yes.
lang.
Totoo.
Ako kasi ganun dati. So, grabe ako mag-side
Sobrang side hustle mo nga.
Oo.
Wala ka
Kaya
ng
nga.
pahinga eh.
Walang
Grabe ako
pahinga,
dati.
literal.
Sa dami ng ginagawa mo,
Yes,
anong
ma'am.
itsura ng downtime mo? May downtime ka ba? Like
Ano?
self-care?
Down na down. Ito yung downtown niya.
Yun nga yung sa akin
Ay.
Kasi I handle it really well.
Yeah.
So, alam nyo ba, there was even a time na bago pa mauso yung mga Korean products dito. Ngayon kasi ang dami ng shops.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
I'll tell you one interesting thing. Samyang. Samyang.
Yes.
Yung maanghang.
Yes, oo.
Alam namin.
Kanina pinag-uusapan namin ni Trixie.
I was the first one who sold those
Really?
stuff.
I see.
Wow.
Yeah, because my sister kasi, she has her business. So, she has her suppliers in Korea, ganyan. So, I get my supplies from her. So, I have the Korean skincare, I have the,
Noodles.
Pero kasi, I was just an individual that time. Hindi legal na may
yes.
trade license.
Yes, yes.
And I do not have the knowledge before.
Yes, yes,
So, I
yes.
did not have the proper connections,
Yes.
ganyan. So, nagpapadala lang ako. Halimbawa, papaship ng box sa sister ko pag nasa Korea siya. Pag wala naman, bawa si Ishi, uuwi, papadala ko sa kanya, ganon. Tapos babayaran ko na lang yung shipment. So, hindi ganon ka consistent. Pero pag meron, pinapost ko na yon, sold out talaga siya. Ako nagpo-post, ako nagre-reply sa mga
Siya na rin
inquiries.
nagde-deliver.
Ako rin nagde-deliver. So, at that time, I was selling the samyang, the one piece hindi pack. 35.
Real?
Yes! Not because...
Ganun ba kamahal yun talaga?
No, no, it's 7 reals now in the market. But not because I was the only one selling it, but because nga yung costing
Yung
ko.
cost.
mataas
yeah.
din.
Yes.
Sabi,
Kasi nga,
isi-ship mo pa siya
pasabay
Ship pa
overseas.
siya,
eh.
makikisuyo pa yung bayad ko sa extra baggage, ganyan. So parang I was barely earning, siguro mga 5 reals yung pinaka-ano ko nung time na yon. Pero kasi I enjoy doing those things. So kahit hindi malaki yung profit, natutuwa ako. So ako yan, bago pa mauso yung mga online selling, ako nagbebenta na ako sa Facebook, na mga, nahinto lang ako nung pandemic kasi wala nang biyahe,
Yes.
hindi na ako
Oo,
makapagpadala.
that's true.
And then yung mga Samyang, nagkaroon sa Vision Mart. Yan.
yes,
So nung
yes.
nagkaroon na sila, hindi na rin, syempre, yung competition rate,
Yes.
mababa na
Yeah.
masyado. I mean, yung presyo, mababa na masyado. So hindi ko na sinabay, useless. So ganun na lang. Tapos, nagbebenta ako ng mga retail, mga authentic shoes, t-shirt,
Lahat,
yan.
binenta
Oo,
niya.
lahat.
Oo.
So, imaginein mo yung inaaral ko yung trabaho ko mismo, inaaral ko rin yung mga products na binibenta ko because one thing, you can never be a good salesperson
If you don't know your product.
Yes,
know
that's
your
true.
product.
And if you don't believe in your product.
Correct.
Yes.
So, yun. So, ang dami kong eksena noon. And nag-ano pa ako ha, hindi pa uso yung mga ganito noon, na mga streaming. Familiar ba kayo sa LBC Live?
Yeah.
Ako ang unang, ako ang original na Reyna ng padala ng LBC.
Diba?
Yes!
Nice. Interesting fact.
Sila yung mga naunang nagla-live.
So you know Sir Glenn Legazpi?
Yes, si Sir
Ah,
Glenn, Tito
okay.
Glenn.
Sir Glenn.
I used to live with him
Yeah.
then, and my son he's like a dad to
I
my son
see.
when we were
We
kids.
actually have a gig next week.
Ah,
Sa
yun.
kami mamaya.
Yes, si Sir Glenn,
Yeah.
si I think nagpang-abot pa kami for a while ni Kevin, parang ganyan.
Kebong.
Tapos, si Kebong.
Si
oo.
Kevin.
Hindi ko matandaan eh.
Si
Hi,
Kebong pala
Kevin!
yun.
Uy, di ba Kevin naman ang tunay?
Yeah.
Hindi, parang ear sore.
Akala ko man.
Hi, Kevin.
Diba, Kevin! Ayan.
Pag nakita ko, sabi ko,
Na, pero
hi,
yun,
Kevin.
Kita mo
Yeah,
kung
yeah.
saan ako. Tapos,
Yeah.
imagine, syempre, nung time na yun, hindi ako marami. Wala akong followers. Hindi
Yes.
naman ako masyado. So, ang ginawa ni Tito Glenn, although, syempre, hindi niya sinabi sa akin ng straight away kasi iniisip niya, baka ma-offend ako or what. But, again, I'm very professional when it comes to things
Yes.
like that. Alam mo, ang ginawa niya, nagkuha siya ng isang famous na pretty personality dito sa Qatar na maraming following. Tapos parang sinabay niya sa akin. Parang, I do all the work, but I need your face here. Kasi,
alright.
ikaw yung pinapanood, ikaw yung maraming following. So, hindi kagandahan si ate mo, girl.
Grabe.
Jurassic Days pa ba yan?
Hindi naman.
Ay,
Ano na to?
Pa-start na.
Parang nung time na yun pa lang ako nagkaroon ng pang-glutasyon. Tapos, umpisa pa lang na
naka-braces
hinihigit yung
na
braces.
tayo.
And then,
Alright.
yung braces ko, dumating ako dito naka-braces na. Pero yung extraction para mahila siya.
yeah.
Sobra-sobra kasi yung ipin ko. Ang dami niya. So, ang daming
37.
ginulot.
Grabe, ang dami
37
naman
pieces.
nun.
Sabi ko talaga, grabe, double time yung paghila sa ipin ko dito sa Qatar. Kasi talagang hinilo siyang ganyan. So, nung time na yun, yung palang yun siya. So,
Pausbong pa lang si Shay.
Oo. Pero of course, like I said, I'm professional enough to take that. And that's also for my benefit.
Yes.
That's true.
Kasi syempre kasama ko siya. So may kita ka sa, follow din nila ako.
Okay. May tanong ako sa'yo. Having gone through all these instances and situations in your life, ano yung pinaka-valuable lesson na nakuha mo out of it?
Pwedeng marami sila.
No, sige,
Famous
give me
one,
like
two, three. Charot.
top 3 perhaps.
No,
Top three.
siguro number 1 is you really cannot trust anyone.
Yes, that's so
That's
true.
a very painful truth.
Totoo.
Totoo.
Whenever
Trust
I hear
yourself.
that, parang, you cannot trust anyone. Parang, paano?
Diba?
Parang akala ko these people were like brothers and sisters to me, parang ganyan. Pero at the end of the day, they'd stab you in the back.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why it's always important to hold your cards
Yes.
close to your heart.
It's all about your pakinabang.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yun.
Kaibigan, hindi kailangan.
Yes.
Oh, diba?
And
Okay.
then, you cannot please
Everybody.
That's true.
Is that your top 2?
Ha?
Pangalawa na ba yan?
You know,
Hindi parang
In no particular order.
Hindi naman. In no
okay.
particular order. Like random things
Yeah.
na na nowadays, recently nga yun talaga lagi
Realizations
tumatakbo sa
mo.
yes,
Yes.
my realizations exactly. So, yun, you cannot please everybody. Like,
Yes.
ako kasi, very confident ako to say na mabuti akong tao, mabait
Yes,
akong tao.
yes.
And whatever, ano ba tawag doon?
What you see is what you
yes,
get.
this one. Exactly what my thoughts are. What you see is what you get. Kung pinakitaan kita ng ganito, yun talaga ako. Very pure ang heart ko.
Yes.
Kung minalditahan kita, because you deserve to be malditahan.
Maldita with the heart.
Diba? I mean,
Ikaw yun!
I treat you the way you treat me.
Ayoko yung
Ayun.
mga post ko yun. Maldita with the, yun yung mga post mo.
Nagkasundo yung dalawa.
Or, no, because, or halimbawa, sa team ko, pag napagalitan
Yeah.
ko kayo, because you did something wrong.
Yes.
Hindi naman ako loka-loka na I would just, you know,
Nagalit na lang
Oo,
bigla.
na
Mga
parang-
irrational.
Oo,
Okay.
diba? So, ganon. So parang,
Ano yung
ano lang
pangatlo?
ako na,
Okay, go.
kahit gaano ka kabuti, kahit gaano, meron at merong masasabi yung tao sa'yo.
You cannot please everyone.
Yes.
Do something wrong, they will say something. Do something right, they will say a lot more, diba? Okay.
And these people, sila yung mga natulungan mo.
Yeah.
Kailangan ko
Diba?
ng tubig.
Like, really.
Ang ganda ng podcast, parang may part 2 to.
Yung isa kong friend, I mean, ayoko na lang.
Actually, 1 hour na tayo
Okay.
mahigit.
Alam mo,
Ano bang timeline?
feeling ko ang daming magre-review ng ating video this
Oh my God.
Tapos yung mga screenshot. Eto sa part na to, sinabay yung ganito. Punta ka sa 1 hour and 43 minutes.
Ay, pero
Okay.
sinasuggest nila na dapat mag-guest natin si DJ Bobby Ero. Ka-text ko lang siya kahapon, sabi niya nga sa akin, uy, na-miss na kita. Sabi ko, oo nga, kailan ba tayo magkikita? So,
Tingnan
very
natin.
busy pag weekend dahil sa mga community service and the gigs. But hopefully, DJ Bobby, magkita ulit tayo.
Di ba mag-guest ka sa ano?
Yes.
Pwede naman sabihin.
Yes, pwede naman, oo. Siyempre, they're also our friends. So,
Yes.
hi sa mga PHR, Team Pinoy Hearts Radio. Yes, abangan nyo po. At hopefully, makasama din namin kayo dito sa QCast. We're
Ayoko.
always...
Saka, diba?
Sareng. Kahapon pa ako na.
Joke lang.
That's
Mga
my
kaibigan na yun.
circle.
If they take it personally, that's their problem.
Their problems.
But of course,
We are all happy people here.
Nakakamiss
Anyone is
din
welcome,
sila.
of course. Wala namang
Ay,
problema.
si Dodge nanonood. Uy, Dodge!
Sino yun?
Yes,
Si
si mga
Dodge,
barkada namin.
friend namin
Oh.
siya, barkada namin siya. Na tuwing birthday niya, may isang photo na lagi lang lalabas.
Oo. Tapos
Over the
yun yung
years.
Jurassic Days
Yeah.
namin. Nakakahiya. Oh my God.
Itim-itim ko doon,
Grabe.
grabe.
Parang, gusto ko na iantag yung sarili ko.
Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi, well, maitim naman talaga.
Yeah.
Pero yung itim ko doon, kakaiba. Galing ako noon sa team building.
Team building. Tapos dumiretso kami sa
sunburned
birthday
kami,
niya.
tas inuman. Tas parang alam mo yung wala na kaming buhay noon.
Di gumana yung flash.
And we were literally sitting on a gutter.
Mm.
Kasi galasing
Kalye,
na
as
kami.
in
Kalye.
kalye photo siya.
So, hi, Dutch. Na-miss
Those
na namin
places,
yung
you build a lot of
papaitan.
memories.
Yeah,
And
nakakatuwa,
mga
no?
Kwentuhan sa kalye. I miss those days. Parang nasa kanto kayo, may isang ilaw, nagkukwentuhan kayo.
Yeah, hawak-hawak.
Soft drink, ay
Yeah.
sinaway ko tumalsik.
May soft drinks lang.
Soft drinks nasa plastic.
Oo,
Yeah.
nakahawak ni Shay.
Diba?
Yung
I
soft
mean,
drinks na nasa plastic.
those are memories you treasure.
Correct.
Diba?
That's
Okay.
And I have another one. I just
Go ahead.
remembered.
Yes.
You cannot always have yourself available for everyone.
Yes.
Oh,
Yan ang
yes.
pinakatotoo.
Diba?
Yeah.
Because if you do, they take
Yes.
advantage
Yes.
and they think that they can just do anything to you
Yeah.
na hindi ka mababother or masasaktan.
Learn to say no,
Correct.
kumbaga.
Yeah.
And that's something that was, I really learned in a hard way to
Yes.
say no.
Correct.
Kasi
I
most
learned
of the time,
everything the hard way.
I wanted to please everyone and, give chance to everyone.
Yes.
And I ended up na parang naubos ako.
Naubos ka,
You know. So, ngayon, I just choose the people that I want to be with. So,
Yeah.
this day, ito lang ang kasama ko. I want to be with this person the whole day. And that's it.
But I mean, just to be, like I said, I'm a very fair person. It's not all about me. Like what I have been saying the past few minutes is all about my feelings, my actions, my. Of course, like I said, I admit I'm not perfect. So
Nobody
maybe
is.
these people who did that to me or against me, maybe I did something wrong to them also. Because like I said, or not maybe. Definitely.
Pero,
I did something wrong to
I
you.
don't believe in the idea that you have to
How-
retaliate every
Yes.
time those things
Yes.
happen. Kasi parang di mo pinakalagan yung pagsasama nyo eh. I mean, regardless of what the person did or whatever happened, whatever circumstance you're in, hindi mo dapat sirain ng isang tao eh. I don't believe in that kind of, I don't know, it's so stupid to say it, but
I just never
it's
thought
it's
that
a
they-
no-no for me. Kasi parang di ka ba niya pinakain, di ka ba niya trinato ng
At saka
maayos,
bakit
di
ako
ba?
ba hindi mo winalang hiya?
Exactly, di ba?
Ayan na.
We're live, so yeah.
No. I mean, ako ba hindi mo
Yes.
sinread
Yes.
bad?
Yeah.
Kasi when you did that to me, I was still there. And
Yeah.
I told you that I felt bad
Yeah.
for what you did. But
Yes.
for me,
In
parang
exchange.
ako, isang pagkakamali,
Yeah.
dalawa.
Yeah.
So long
I think the best thing you could do in that situation to contain yourself, stay quiet.
Yes.
That's the best thing, di ba? Kasi the more you talk, the more mistakes. you can
Or you,
say.
like I said, I would always appreciate people coming
Yeah.
to me
Coming,
directly.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
Just go ahead and
Straightforward,
tell
diba?
me, Shay, ano ba? Mali yan. Tama na. If I listen to you, then good. If I don't, then it's my problem.
Yeah, ganun kami ni Shay. When may mga krong-krong days din ako like, ish, ang tanga mo. Like, okay, then tinuloy ko pa din.
namin eh,
Tapos
natanga
ganun din ako
kami.
sa kanya. Like, Shay, that's really wrong. Tapos, okay,
Ay,
Mars,
alam mo yun,
thank you.
alam naman namin na mali kami. We admit.
We did
alam
not
namin
disown
tanga
each
kami.
other.
Oo.
We
Wala
never
naman
disown
tayong,
each
wala
other.
naman
Pero
perfecto.
there's things that,
Yeah.
you know, you just cannot
Yeah.
parang
Control.
Totoo naman.
control or bitaw. Francis, our friendship,
Yeah.
diba? It wasn't always
It
like,
wasn't perfect.
Yeah.
We had our share of...
Kaaway
of,
kami niyan. Di
yeah.
kami nagpapansin.
Yeah. May time na di kami nagpansin ni Shay.
Oo.
But nobody knew about it.
Kaya
Wala.
Diba?
Hindi
Kasi
kami-
we kept
You never
quiet.
shared it to me as well.
Yeah.
Hindi ko rin
And
alam.
even if I know that she's going through something, I never did anything sinasabi kong against sa kanya. Kasi I treasured that time na naging okay kami. And that's how I value
Ay,
friendship.
may kakwento ako.
That is how I value
Ay, na may
friendship.
kakwento.
Wait, kwento ko. Involved kayong dalawa.
Ay, tala! 1 hour and 14.
No.
Atin-atin lang.
You know, there was this
Ano,
person who, ano bang tawag doon? Whistleblowed?
Whistleblower.
Parang kwento niya sa, this person, sige, hindi ako mag-aano ng gender para hindi,
Walang gender reveal.
this
Wala talagang
person
gender.
told me that this other person was talking behind my back.
Okay.
Ganyan. Apparently, this human being na nagsasalita or who's backstabbing me or not really backstabbing but in a way ganon kasi ang dami niyang comments and dami niyang negative reaction sa akin daw. Well, I thought was my really good friend. So, ngayon, nung sinabi niya sa akin yung nalaman niya, yung nakita niya, minention yan sa akin kayong dalawa.
Okay.
Nasabi niya,
Hello,
Na-interest ako, go.
si Francis said na that was the management's decision. They wanted it to be intimate. Let's respect their
Yes.
decision. In context, I'm talking about when we opened
Yeah.
the Lumbar restaurant.
Yes.
So when we opened po kasi the Lumbar restaurant, we just a quick, back
Yes.
story. We decided na we will not have any influencers, we will
No
not have the
media.
media
Yes.
appearance, no VIPs or anything because at that time our VIPs were our whole team. Those people who stayed with us when we hit rock bottom, who
Yeah.
struggled with us,
Yes.
when we really had nothing, but
Yeah.
they chose to stay. So at that time, sila lang ang guest namin, and we agreed to do that. Like,
Yeah.
I'm serving them. I'm literally serving them. And then, syempre, hindi naman may iwasan, may iwan sa kitchen. So parang, okay, kayo muna. Tapos switch. Serve ulit. May pagkain.
Masaya.
You saw that.
Yeah.
And then, si Ishi, ang sabi naman daw ni Ishi that time, ano ba yung sinabi niya? Parang, ang sabi mo ata, parang wala silang ibang
Wala, kasi di ba same day mo din ako sinabihan.
Yes.
So, wala akong alam.
Just for your information, si Ishi nandun siya because like I said, we're like sisters. I don't have a family here.
Yes.
She's like my family. And nag-iisa siya. And at the same time, muntik ko na sabihin yung S word. I had... so
Di
there
ka lang kung paano ko mabiblip.
Lifetime. So,
Live po to.
so may mga kami na like legal siya
Legal
yung
battles, yeah.
nakasama niya ako. Kasama ko
Yes.
siya kasi she was helping me
Yeah.
sort it
And ayoko rin
out.
sabihin sa ibang tao yun kasi it's not
Syempre,
nice to
of
tell
course.
people na, oy, tinutulungan ko yan ha. No,
Yeah.
I don't play that
So
kind
first
of
of
role.
all, I don't owe anyone an explanation.
Yes.
Actually.
Correct.
That's
Pero
true.
just to,
Very true.
just to clear it out, diba? Kasi eto pala. So I was like, ikaw, Ate Ting.
Yes.
Did I tell you?
No, we
Did
just
I
really
invite you?
No, you didn't
Oh,
invite me.
Yes.
Kami
So,
nung talaga yung pumunta.
Correct. So, perfect example. If you are really my friend, you will not make an issue out of it.
Yes.
You saw on Facebook
Yeah, I
or
saw it on
the
Facebook.
social media
Yeah.
that they opened, sila biglang dumating without anything. We're like, thank you, congratulations,
Yes.
we're here to support.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, ganun yung mga nangyari. So, I was just, and then
Maybe
when I heard your comments, sasabi ko, okay, at least I have these people na, with a broad mind,
Yeah.
na nakakaintindi. Intindi.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Well, yun
Ganun
naman,
lang.
kasi it's a very simple thing that the
Yes.
least that you can do for someone who struggled, who went
Is to
through a lot,
support.
is to
Yes.
support.
Yes.
True.
Kasi what are you gonna do? Bombard that person na mali ka? tama
Gang
ka?
up on him.
No. And that's
May mga
the thing.
nag-gang up ngayon eh.
I don't want if I go through that phase as well, I want to
Yeah.
be treated the same.
Yes.
That's
If,
true.
who
Totoo.
knows? Baka
Yes.
mamaya
Yes.
I would be in that situation.
Yeah, yeah,
I don't
yeah.
want
Yeah,
Shay to gang up on me na ayan,
Yeah.
kita mo
Yeah,
kasi
yeah.
ang dami mong sinabi noon, ngayon ikaw
Yeah.
na andyan.
Uh-huh.
So I
And-
don't want the same thing to happen to me.
Yes.
That's why it's free to be kind, guys.
Yes.
It's
Alam
okay
niyo yung
to be kind.
pinagdaanan,
Yeah.
tapos may ganyan pa kayo. Hirap na we could barely open this,
Yeah.
this
store.
this
And
branch.
siguro
kasi,
siguro kasi the way they react that way is because they only see the surface. They don't
Yes.
see the behind the scenes what's happening. And only few people understand
oh
those
no,
things.
this guy does.
If he
Or
does,
did.
then he's not your real friend. Diba? Ganun lang yun eh. Kasi if you're really a true person to that person, you would understand. Ako nga eh, nagtampo, charot. Hindi, pero I understand completely. Kasi even though you don't know, Trixie and I, we talk all the time. And I know exactly what were the faces happening on the back.
And we don't just talk. Yung pag nag-usap kami ni friends, parang ang laging may well-wish after
Yes.
the conversation.
Yeah,
Parang,
yeah.
I hope she
Surpass this trial, diba?
We're praying for her. Alam mo yung, totoo yan, Mars, na when someone is praying for you, it's very
Yes,
helpful.
it's
Rather than
effective.
i-chismis mo yung tao and it hurts mo siya, pray for that person.
Yun yung lagi kong sinasabi.
Oo.
Lagi ko rin nababanggit sa'yo, diba?
Oo.
Mars, pray for me. Ganyan. Pag-pray mo ko, parang gano'n na lang. Kasi,
Kasi
at the end of the day, I don't
hindi
have
naman
anything
perfect
to
yung
hold
tao.
on.
That's true.
True.
So rather than saying bad things to this person dahil nga nagkamali siya, let's, pray.
Yeah.
Pray that she could get out of that place at least, diba? Okay, mali.
Yeah.
Then, so be it. Pray for that person.
It's
so,
free
yun
to
lang
be
naman.
kind.
It's free to be
It's
kind.
free
Lagi
to
ko
be
sinasabi,
kind.
and it's
Yeah.
free to be kind.
Lagi ko rin tinuturo yan sa anak ko. Anak, it's
Some
free
people
to be
just
kind.
they find it hard to understand or thoughts. Kasi I think one thing, they're on a different level.
Oo.
Diba, yung understanding nila dito lang. And if you are in a circle of people who talks about the same thing, talks about the same SHIT, and you don't get out of that and look for other people's perspective who are on a broader horizon
That's
with things
true.
that way, the way that we do,
Uh-uh.
then they will never see the things that we see.
Exactly.
Ganun yun eh.
Yes.
So for you guys,
You
kilalanin nyo yung kinakaibigan nyo. You are who you are because you're in that
friendship
circle.
na. Oo, nakakatuwa. Hindi, kasi at the end
You
of
are
the
what you
day, ang
ingest.
sinasabi ko nga,
Correct.
it's better to be kind than to be
Yes.
right.
Exactly. Eh,
Diba?
maganda yun.
May ano doon,
Amen to
may,
that.
diba?
Diba? Kasi
Correct.
yung iba parang, ay,
Ako
ito
tama.
tama. Ako
Ito
yung
ang
tama.
tama.
Parang ito
Righteous
dapat
ako.
yung ginawa niya. Diba? Parang ganun.
Parang sa kalsada yan eh. Yung mga nagbabanggaang sasakyan. Kung pareho kayong nasa... Hindi, tama kasi ako eh.
Oh, sige.
You don't have to be right all the time.
Okay, tama ka, mali ako.
Oo.
Perfect ka.
Yeah.
On the camera, perfect ka.
Kasi kami, perfect kami.
Diba?
Di joke lang. No one's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay? And then we wish everyone best of luck, di ba? So kung ano mang ginagawa nyo, to all my former friends. Best of luck.
Oy, kayo ha, know your boundaries.
Yes.
Kasi may kilala ako. Charot.
Nagtatanong si Pa kung kailan
Sabi ko na naging
Alam mo,
chismisan.
ang dami mong kilala.
yung podcast naging chismisan.
No, talking
It's
about
really fun.
talking about boundaries. We mentioned
yes,
that earlier
yes.
kanina.
Yes.
Business,
Yes,
wise,
that's
parang
true.
on a business perspective. On a friendship perspective, parang you do not pinost ko to sa Facebook ko last night because I read about it. Saktong-sakto nga na you do not get to tell my story.
Oh, yes, yes. Nakita ko yun paggising ko sa umaga.
Ang ganda nung
Yung
message.
una-una.
Ang ganda nung message,
Yes,
diba?
yes. Maganda.
Na, yeah, you probably know me. You probably know like a line on what happened or something.
True.
But you do not get to tell my story.
Yes,
Know your
it's not for
boundaries.
you to share
Yes.
someone
Siguro-
else's story.
Yeah.
Kaya nga tayo may kanya-kanyang buhay para wag mong pakialaman yung iba. Pakialaman mo yung buhay mo.
Kung hindi ka busy, diba? Kung hindi ka
Kung hindi
busy,
ka busy, magtinda ka ng samyang.
maghanap ka rin ng ibang side hustles.
That's true.
Diba? Or kumain ka sa Lombard, magkape ka sa Kappa.
Yes.
Ganon, diba?
Sabi ni Leo, I love the takeaway for tonight. It's free to be
Yeah.
kind. It's okay to be kind than to be right.
Yes,
Di ba?
Mars.
Akala nyo
Ay,
wala kayong
Doctor.
matututunan dito.
Correct. Kala niyo chismis.
Dr. Lay, maghanda
Chismis
ka
na may
na kasi
laman.
uupo ka din dito soon.
Correct. Very educational.
Maganda rin tong i-guest dito kasi madami rin tong
correct.
bashers.
Ay, Dr. Lay, it's a pleasure having you as
Oh,
our
controversial.
audience tonight.
I will
Mga
see
controversial
you
na tao,
later.
ilagay natin dito.
Are you ready?
Yes. Okay.
Oh,
oh.
diba? So, parang
Pawis ko malamig.
biglang transition ako to personal
Yes.
experience.
And it's really a nice insight.
Diba? For you to
Yeah.
talk to my mom and to my family. Oh my God. Hello.
Okay.
Sige, fight
That's overboard, I would say.
No, I mean,
yeah.
diba?
Oo, totoo.
You probably wouldn't understand the true meaning of that because hindi ganun ka-complex yung comprehension at yung vocabulary mo. Pero 'di ba? Know your boundaries
Yes.
kasi yung
It's
mga
free to be
magulang ko
kind.
hindi bata, matatanda na sa Pilipinas. Pag-iisipin mo pa
Na, oo.
na ako nga hindi ko sinasabi yung mga nangyayari dito. Ikaw,
Kaya
bida-bida ka. Chichika mo pa sa
sabi ni Lay,
Hoy,
wag kang chismis at sinong basher ko.
Malalaman mo sa QCAS.
Gusto mo ba?
Malalaman mo sa
Gusto mo ba?
Kailan ka magigess? Sasama ako. Ako
Co-host.
din.
Oh my God. This is such a fun
It's
afternoon.
been
Hey.
an hour and 24 minutes. This has been the longest
Yes.
podcast
I think so,
we've
yeah.
ever
Ako
had
kasi
so
ano to,
far.
overnight.
Okay. We'll take a final break. And we'll be back with our shout outs. You guys, stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
Samahan niyo kami din eh. Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. May hope. Okay po. Samahan niyo ko kami.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. I am the original since 2017. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. Sa aming bagong simula.
Kung pikon ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, malamang oras pa sa dulo. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan na. Yung walang labis, walang ulam. Yo-le-yo, are-le-yo, are-le-no, re-le-le.
Defend your hometown far and near. Give your team the loudest cheer. Calling the attention of all basketball enthusiasts in Qatar. The OFW 7th GCC All Filipino Club and PBAC present Maharlika Park Restaurant Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Friday, April 4, 2025. The champion gets 10,000 Qatari Riyals. Runner-up, 4,000 Qatari Riyals. For mechanics and details, call 5006-1008. For registration, call Maharlika Park Restaurant at 7795-5380. Register now. After 9 years, the 7th All-Filipino Club Basketball Championship will once again be witnessed by basketball enthusiasts from the Gulf region. The OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. Men's Division, Open League, Overseas Filipino Residents in the GCC, March 21 to 22, 2025 in Doha, Qatar. See you there. One returns to Qatar with another blockbuster spectacle at Lusail Sports Arena on February 20, 2025. Fans will be treated to the best martial arts action on the planet as one bantamweight kickboxing world champion, Jonathan Haggerty, puts his gold on the line against Chinese superstar Wei Rui. Also, the reigning king, Joshua Pasio, and interim champ Jared Brooks meet in a trilogy match to unify the one strawweight MMA world title and much more. Tickets on sale at 1fc.com/1171 or visit q-tickets.com. Let's all support Pasio. Buy tickets and get 30% discount. Use code 1PH now.
Ang mga kailangan mo at ng inyong pamilya sa Pinas, mahahanap mo sa tindahan ni Bossing. Tenbo, powered by PLDT Global. Ang one-stop online tindahan para sa mga Pinoy sa abroad. Sa Tenbo, sari-sari ang mga produkto at serbisyo. May load padala sa Pinas, shopping e-vouchers, bills payment, food e-vouchers, doctor's online consult vouchers, e-government services, at gaming pins. Sa Tenbo, makakakuha ka ng Smart Virtual Number, ang seamless Philippine mobile number na magagamit para sa libreng tawag sa OWA 24/7 hotline. At para makatanggap ng one-time passwords o OTP galing sa Philippine banks at e-wallets. Sa Smart Virtual Number, pwede ka ding i-text o tawagan ng inyong kapamilya sa Pinas gamit ang kanilang local Philippine numbers kahit wala silang internet. Kapag may Tenbo account ka, parang nasa Pinas ka na rin kahit pamalayo ka. Tindahan natin to mga bossing. Tenbo. Register for free.
Welcome back to Live on Cue.
This Saturday on Live on Cue. Hey, let's all meet Shay. From dancing and hosting gigs to running a restaurant business in Doha, Qatar. She has so much more to offer in her career and exciting life adventures. January 25, Saturday, 4 p.m. at the Cat Bar, Doha Souk Mall. Only here on QCast.
Hey, back here in Live on Cue, 6:38 in the app. In the evening is our time.
This is such afternoon.
1
Correct.
hour and 33 minutes of podcasting
Wow.
together with Miss Che of Lombard, Qatar, and of course Trixie of Toastmasters and Miss Ting of Ting Talk Show. I'm really having a great time with you guys. Maraming salamat, Che, sa pagpapaunlak sa amin ngayong hapon.
Yes.
I
you so
thank you
much.
for your patience.
Very customer-oriented.
so
Thank you for
much.
patiently waiting. I apologize for the delay.
We apologize for everything that we said. No, we don't.
Sorry,
No, we
not
don't.
sorry.
No.
If it struck you, then it's real. Ganun lang yun. Okay, anyway.
Guilty ka, Besh.
Anyone you want to shout out before we finally close the podcast this afternoon? It would be your time. Go ahead. Maybe you could start with you first. Sige, ikaw na muna.
Ikaw na daw.
Oh, sige.
Para pag
Pixie.
ganun.
Oh yes, of course. Our colleagues from APAC.
Mhm.
From,
APACers.
APACers. Hello, guys. No, that's really how we call
Hindi nakakatawa lang pakinggan.
Na-shock sila.
Shock sila sa APACers, yes. So, yeah, of course, Dutch Tabangay now. He's one of the closest friends of ours. Ni Shay, of course, Pedro. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, mga bebs.
Mga bebs namin dyan. And, yes, talagang tinapos ni DJ Bobby Ero ang podcast
yes.
for today. Maraming
Maraming
salamat, DJ Bobby Ero. And of course, Lay is on her way here. Papunta na.
Really?
Hindi siya makakatulog hanggat hindi niya malaman kung sino yung basher niya.
Biglang may
Okay.
sumasabay.
And of course, my fraternity brothers in Beta Sigma. Hello, guys. And happy birthday to Ate Jenny. We will be there later at West Bay. I know there's a party for you tonight. And sorry late ako, but I will be there. Me and my friends will be there.
Napachika po siya
Napachika
dito.
po
I'm
ako.
sorry.
Yes.
So that's it for me, Shay.
Yeah, I'd like to say thank you to to everyone who watched the podcast and to everyone who's supporting QCast. And please follow us also on Facebook and
Yes.
Instagram, Kapeng Barako. Kapeng Barako by Lumbar and Lumbar Restaurant.
Yes.
The
And clarify
and
with them.
only,
Yeah,
yes.
the one and only.
One and only.
And it's located-
The original branch located in Doha Souk Mall.
Mhm, yes.
So yung mga nanood na nakita ko kanina, natandaan ko, si Sir Lloyd.
Yes,
Sir
Lloyd
thank
Pineda,
you.
of course.
Elder, Floizel, si Miss LJ Lucas, hi po. Si Ninang Christian, nakita ko nanood siya kanina. Dana, hi. Ang dami kong nakita kanina na wala na sila. So si Lay, si Sir Bobby, si Sir Oliver, yung mga
Oh, yeah,
Peace
Francia,
Qatar,
yeah.
Pau, Tin, hi.
Ay.
Yes,
Ay,
ikaw
saan
na
yung ibang
nagtutupi
comments?
ngayon.
Bakit hindi na nakukuha yung mga nauna? Ganun ba yun?
Pero after this, mag-generate
Yeah.
naman siya.
Kasi baka magtampo yung mga hindi may issue na
Balikan ko yung mga... I think nabati na sila. Nabati na
naman.
sila
Nabati na
kanina.
sila
Di
kanina.
ba?
Hindi. Ayun. Tapos, my family also is I mean, not all, but, you know.
Yeah,
My son,
Of course,
I think-
Chap.
Yeah,
may,
Chap.
may inaanak. Hello.
Yeah.
And
my
Sky,
son is
of course.
watching. And, Uy, Sky is watching?
Yes, of course.
Uy, hi,
oo.
Sky.
Ninang is here.
I have a
Mga
lot of
inaanak
utang.
na. Ay, no.
Alam mo, may kanya-kanya kaming utang sa mga anak
Ilang
namin.
Pasko na bang lugipas?
Parang wala nga kaming pinagkitaan.
Kami na,
ng mga
oo.
ano. Pero
Okay.
syempre, alam na yan.
Inipon lang yan ni Trixie. May listahan
Ano
siya.
yun?
Kakain
Year
kami dito sa Lombard.
2023.
Kahit ganon,
Yeah.
we will, ano kasi tawag doon yung, di ba, godparents
Godparents,
or second
oo.
Yes, yes.
parents. So,
So,
we're true to that.
Oo.
Huwag kayong mag-alala.
Pinramis namin sa isa't isa na pag in the future, 'di ba, kung mangailangan yung anak niya or
Yeah.
mga anak ko.
That's true.
May
And wala na
tatakbuhan,
kami.
oo.
So nice of you guys.
And then, I don't know, my grandma is watching also. I'm not sure. My mom, hi, everyone. And of course, to
Yung mga
Kapeng
team.
Barako and
Yeah.
Lombard team. Thank you very much for being there for us always. You are all doing a great job. I'm very proud of you always. And thank you for always supporting us in this battle.
Yeah.
Hello
Nice.
sa boss namin na nagpadala ng ice.
Ng ice
Yes.
tea. Maraming
Nanonood
salamat
ng
po.
Thank you
live.
so much.
Ayun siya.
Yes.
Busy siya.
Meron pa tayo mamaya. We'll have dinner tonight. Diba?
Busy siya sa ng mga marketing and artworks and
Kasi
all
talagang
graphics.
pinaghihirapan ng lahat ng
Because
artworks
we
dito.
can.
Original talaga. Ultimo yung artworks original.
There's a lot of difference. If you go to the
Yes.
other branch, kasi pag pumunta kayo doon, makikita nyo yung difference in terms of service, yung pagkain, marketing materials,
Yes.
ibang-iba po talaga. That's
We can-
hindi yun yung branding ng Lombard Qatar na
We can
totoo.
always come up with new ones, with
Yes.
interesting ones,
Yes.
because we can.
Yes.
Yes.
And proud to say, Filipino-owned
Yes.
restaurant. Support naman natin yung mga
100%
Filipino
Filipino-owned, by the way.
Yes.
Aha.
Yes.
Before kayo sumuport ng iba, supportahan nyo muna yung ating
sarili-
yung ating
Sariling
sarili.
atin. Yes.
Tanggalin natin yung mentality na pagiging Pinoy, the crab mentality na gano'n.
Oh, ba't ba
It's
may
not
ganun
nice.
pa rin?
Ewan ko. Akala ko walang crab dito sa
2025 na. Doon kayo sa mag-crabbing.
crab
Sa dagat.
sa inland.
Oo, yung mga ganun.
Ayun.
Tapos
Iwasan natin yun.
magpaabot kayo ng high tide.
Hindi na nakabalik.
Diba? Parang mabawasan yung mga masasama. Come on, the world itself is already a difficult place to live on. Diba? Don't contribute to it na.
Nalalawag
More
gabi.
difficult.
May one-way cruise.
One way.
One way lang. Bahala ka na. Pagbabalik.
Mag-aeroplano ka na.
Okay.
Do you have anything?
Yes, so shout out yun since sabi ni Francis to the
Yeah.
Pinoy Extreme Anglers Qatar na doon kami lahat kahapon.
Uy,
Oh,
wait
yes.
lang si Sir
Yeah.
Sky. Nakita ko watching. Kita
Yeah,
mo,
yeah,
hindi ko
yeah.
siya na-shout out.
Kasi siya shout out.
Hayaan mo na si Tina daw bahala.
Bida ka. Sige, Shay, bida-bida ka na naman.
Ayun. So, ayan. Hello to all the staff and crew of Maharlika Park Restaurant,
Yes,
Maya's
oo.
Kitchen. Ayan, sinabi na nga natin si Honey Sky Gonzalez, SG Entertainment and Events.
Honey.
Sana all
Because I can.
Hi, honey.
Ayun.
Sana all may honey.
Tapos,
Ang taray
ayan.
nung because I can.
Ayan. Kasi galing sa'yo, ginamit ko lang.
Corona.
Sana all.
Ay,
Ang haba ng podcast for
Okay.
today.
Ayun, sa mga
Okay.
anak, Katrina Flores, Cal Gonzalez, and my family in the Philippines, Qatar Black Gold Sapatilla Eagles Club, Qatar Black Gold Sapatilla Lady Eagles Club,
Yes.
OFM, and yon, a happy birthday, 18th birthday to Nikki De La Cruz.
Yes, happy
Uy,
birthday.
happy birthday to Ella. Venus style.
Oh yeah, Marcella.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
We celebrated the birthday of Carcusia last
Yeah,
week. And
magkasunod pala
today
sila.
is her birthday. Happy
Halos.
birthday,
Happy
Beshi
birthday.
Ella.
Kish
Last
and
mo na
Ella.
yan. Next year ulit. Next year
Ang
ulit.
daming pa-birthday kasi.
Ayun.
Oh,
Also,
guys!
oh.
Finish.
Sige,
Hindi,
Sorry.
tapos na ako.
Oh, before I forget, sorry to interrupt.
Go,
I
go.
remember tomorrow is our first year
Oh!
anniversary here in Kapeng Barako in
Happy
Doha.
anniversary.
Kailangan mo yun.
So please drop by.
Do you have
Please
any
pop-
promo for tomorrow?
Yeah,
Meron.
just please pop in. We're gonna have surprises
I see.
every
Yes.
hour by the hour.
Ay, gusto ko
Ay,
yan. Para
gusto ko
malapit
yun.
natin
Yes.
natin. Yes.
So, meron kaming mga usually we're into surprises pagdating
Okay.
sa anniversary. So we do not really disclose what's gonna happen.
Saya.
But every hour, we have like, for example, for this hour, kung sino yung mga naka-dine in, we'll
I
get
see. Nice.
free milk tea or
Wow.
free pizza or you get 20% discount, right off
So,
the
pag
bat.
tumambay ka buong araw, every hour,
Kuha mo lang.
Pag uwi mo, dami mong coupon.
Tapos syempre depende
Okay.
sa mood ni Madam.
surprise wala.
Surprise!
Oh my God.
Parang ganun. No, but yeah, it's been a year of...
Wow. Congratulations to Lombard Qatar, by the way.
thank you.
To you,
It's
to
been a
your
year
team.
of ups
You did a
and
good
downs.
job.
But Kapeng Barako has been our saving grace.
Yes.
So thank you for everyone who was a part of it. And we look forward to celebrating with you tomorrow on our first anniversary. I will be here physically, to welcome
You won't be
everyone.
late.
Di na ako uuwi.
Hey, by the way, for those who didn't know, what time do you open?
Ka rin,
What
Hoy, ikaw late ka. Ikaw ang taga-set. Ako guest ako. I had the privilege to be late.
Okay.
Yes. Cap Bar, by the way, is open
Yeah,
24/7.
But
Yes.
also the dining,
Doha
diba?
Souk is out?
Yes.
It's all both
Lombard as
24/7.
well.
Yes.
So, Doha Souk Mall po in Al Nasser. This is the one and only branch. No other branches. We are not related to any other brands claiming to have the same name.
Yes.
And the previous branch that we used to operate celebrate. It's no longer with us as well.
Okay.
So this is the one and only, of course, one Lumbar and one Cap Bar, only in Doha Souk Mall.
That is
Yes. Yes.
Tsaka
Okay.
syempre, makikita nyo kami dito.
Yeah.
So ito yung original. Pag wala kami doon sa kabila, diba? Hindi yun.
Pop up lang daw yung nandun.
Yung pictures natin.
Yes!
Diba? Baka naman, with all due respect.
Yung
puso.
Yeah.
Diba?
But
Hindi
yeah, a lot of
kasama
people
yan
are
sa
asking me, they DM me because they still see our pictures on the wall. Sabi
So
ko,
what is your statement about it? May I please give the microphone to the host and we will ask. Meron pa po kaming another 2 hours. Of
ang akin lang naman.
Diyos ko, Lord.
I'll leave it to them.
Okay.
If they want us to be, it's still a part of publishing, promotion
On our part.
on our part.
Diba?
So I don't mind if you keep it there.
It will benefit us then.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
Kaso walang TF.
So lista mo para maningil tayo.
All right. Before we go on, closing the podcast this afternoon, once again to Floycel Ann Cruz, proud of you, Shay. Who else we have here? Ang dami pang nagko-comment, madami nagpa-pop up ngayon na paalis na tayo.
Bakit
Si Lay,
late yung sayo dyan?
si Pao, si Mylen Dumas, who else do we have here?
Kanina pa yan,
Bobby
nung
Piquero.
nag-uumpisa
Oh, okay,
pa.
okay. All right.
Na-shoutout na natin.
Na-shoutout
sila.
nyo na ba? Okay. Si Bobby, sabi niya, natawa ako dun sa high tide.
Sir, di ba?
Huwag ka mag-alala, Bobby. Lilitaw ka.
Hoy, basto!
Uy, love na love ko yan sa DJ Bobby. Sobrang,
Kahit ano
sobrang
mangyari,
nice
lilitaw
talaga
ka pa rin.
niya.
Lulutang.
Lulutang
love
pala.
yan.
Okay.
Di ba kasi Sir Bob,
He's still
if
such a
you're
good
a bad
person. Yeah.
paiwan ka na lang sa height.
Correct. And we're all friends with these people. And we hope that yung mga ginagawa nyo ngayon sana magtagumpay. And we hope for also, I would say, the success of Lumbar Qatar.
Yung tawa ko, di ba?
For more success para sa iyo, Shay. I hope you all your dreams sana ma-realize. I know that you've been such through a hard time and not everyone knows about your story. And
may
I'm
gusto pa kayong
so
itanong.
happy. Ano no?
Baka may gusto pa kayo tanong.
Hanggang 1 a.m. tayo dito.
No,
Straight
we're
away,
just
yes
glad
or
that you
no?
really took time to be with us. Para din ma-clarify sa mga nanonood. that this is the only
One and only Lombard
yes,
Qatar.
yes, yeah. Na
So thank you so
Filipino.
much.
Thank you so
Shade.
much,
It's really a pleasure. Iba kasi kapag tropa kayo and sa labas kayo nag-uusap and here,
Iba yung pag-live.
pag live, may kabang kasama. Kinakabahan
Pero tingnan mo,
ako.
everything that happened today was unfiltered, I would say.
Yes,
diba?
it's giving me a mini heart attack,
Yeah.
but okay, sige, fine.
And everything, just for everyone's information,
Yes.
was spontaneous.
Yeah,
Wala pong
yeah,
kasi
yeah.
No
We did-
script.
this is not
We did not
scripted.
talk about
Yeah.
anything. Wala pong naging briefing and
Yes,
all.
yeah, that's why.
kasi late siya. Late sila, kaya walang briefing na
Oo nga.
Pag may nag-report ng podcast ko, alam ko na.
Uy, pero kapag ka nabash ka, it's not
I know.
my fault.
Yeah.
Yung
I think-
introduction ko
I
lang
think
yung scripted.
people-
Kasi nangi ko sa'yo. Yun
who-
lang.
You have to understand it. Well, people should understand this. If there are people who are bashing you, that means to say you're above them.
Yes.
You're doing a good job.
Yes.
You're doing it because you're making an impact. You'll never be, I would say, you'll never be a valuable element kung walang taong nagkikriticize. Kung
that's
walang
true.
taong hindi nagkikriticize sa ginagawa mo.
That is correct.
If every time you're doing something good, lalabas at lalabas. Diba?
Amen to that.
Ayun. And we need them. Kasi
Yes.
it's still part of it. It's part of the process. And we're so happy for you guys. Ayun lang.
Ang lilinis nyo.
Oh my God! Gutom na ako! I'm hungry. I'm starting to get hungry.
See, this is just being me.
Yeah.
This is the usual me.
Yeah, that's so true. Okay, want to say hi to Sky again. SG
Carla.
Events.
Hey.
Carla, si Carla.
Carla
Dito
is
ba
watching.
today?
na yan.
Yeah,
Sabi
saan ba
niya
siya?
pupunta siya eh.
Okay, special thanks to Teenbo, SGE. Of course, don't forget the One Championship happening on
Yes.
Feb 20.
Oh, yes.
Where's the poster?
Wala.
Ito bagyan mo,
Kailangan
Lisa.
nila
Ayun, ito.
Ayan.
So this is happening on Feb 20, 2025.
Yes.
If you have a time, please go to q-tickets.com and then use the code 1PH for you to get 30% discount. Okay? So, yun po.
Kaya akong take.
Trilogy, of course.
Of course. We will be there. Manonood tayo.
Para sa Lombard, magbibigay tayo. Okay? And saying hi and special thanks to Sir Manuel, the
Yes.
Mr. Lombard himself, for allowing us to use this
Thank
event.
you so
this
much.
afternoon.
Thank you
Maraming
so
salamat.
much.
Sir Manuel.
Christian Chi of Sage,
Yes.
sabi Graham Bar this
Oh my
afternoon,
God.
diba?
Uy, excited na ako sa
Meron
inyo.
ka, meron ka. Meron ka.
Meron.
Yes.
Yun talaga yung for today.
And of course, Maharlika Park Restaurant and Lombard.
Yes, and Lombard.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
That's it. Thank you so much, Shay.
May sasabihin pa ako.
Go ahead. I was about to give you the floor for your final message before you say
final
goodbye. Go
message.
ahead.
Thank you very much, you guys, for
Yes.
having us. It's been a while since I've
Yes.
chatted with friends
Yes.
and I've sat down and did something that I love
Yes.
doing.
Yes.
So it's been a great help for my mental
State.
status for
Yeah.
now. But yeah, thank you for having us. And like I said, it's been a while since you've been inviting us. And thank you for your patience.
Yes.
And sana wag kayo magsasawa.
Ulitin natin to.
course.
Gusto mo ulitin to?
Ulitin natin to.
Yes,
Pagka
Sa
sili.
taas naman.
Sili naman ang
Let's
next
do it. Sa
episode.
taas naman
Co-host
tayo.
siya.
Pag sa
Yeah.
taas, yung sa boss ko.
Sa
Kasi
boss.
kanya yun.
Sige, dito lang tayo.
Pag dito, iba.
Sige, sige. Okay.
Pag sa taas, sa boss ko yun.
Yes, yes.
The spotlight is on him.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Ganun.
All right.
And hopefully, we will have Mr. Lombard himself na
Yes.
to sit with us here at QCast. Hello, Mr. Lombard.
Next time. Nangako yan si boss eh.
Yan.
Nangako yan.
Totoo
So,
ba?
Yes, yes.
Nangako siya.
After daw matapos lahat-lahat
Yes.
ng mga kailangan asikasuhin.
All right.
Yeah, the
Trixie.
same thing with me before. Kaya hindi ako
Yeah,
makaano
yeah.
sa inyo. Diba?
And we completely understand that. Okay, Trixie, anything
Yes,
else?
so once again, it's been a pleasure having you
Pleasure
here,
is mine.
Shay, and hopefully we can have more of this in our future
Podcast.
podcast.
Yeah,
And
that's
do not forget to like and follow
QCast.
QCast.
QCast. Yeah.
Yes.
On
Maraming
Facebook and Instagram.
Instagram. We also have
Do you
TikTok,
have
by the
TikTok?
way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yun.
Ting.
Ting Talk Show. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Shay.
po.
Ayun.
All right. So, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa aming hapon. It was such a very enlightening afternoon. We get to
Yes.
know or talk to Shay and share a lot of insights about her life story and everything else, the ups and downs in her life, and then the motivation to move forward with
Yes.
every time
Yes.
that you fall down. Yes.
Yun nga pala, di ba kanina may top 3?
Meron pa pala.
Meron pa lagi ko
Sagarin na kaya ating 2 hours to.
Lagi kong sinasabi sa mga
Yes.
kasamahan namin sa work, guys, don't you ever judge.
Yeah.
Don't ever
Dapat
judge.
hindi.
You don't know
Dapat
what
hindi.
they're going through.
Yes.
True, that's
Everyone's
true. Do not
going
ever
through
judge.
something,
Something,
and you
yes.
don't have any idea about it, even yourself.
Yeah.
Diba? So you always put yourself,
In somebody else's shoe.
because you wouldn't want them doing that to you. Or if you're a
Yes.
parent, you wouldn't want people treating your kids
Yes.
like that.
That's true.
Nagkoko inside siya dun sa always be kind.
Yes.
Yung don't
Totoo.
judge, di ba? Always be kind. Ganun yun. It goes hand in hand. So never, tama ka, you'll never know what the person is going through, di ba?
Totoo.
Maybe on the surface, he or she might be smiling.
Correct.
Akala mo,
Correct.
magaan lang yung buhay. Pero di mo alam, may pinagdadaanan ka.
Exactly.
Okay.
Alam mo,
Yeah.
Disney princess lang siya.
Yes, yes.
Bibig side pala,
Marunong lang tayong dumala
Yes.
ng sitwasyon. That is why. Okay, and with that said,
Thank you.
thank you guys
Thank
for
you so
joining.
much.
See you again next time here on Line of Q. This has been Francis.
Ting of Ting Talk Show.
And Trixie.
And
With-
Shay.
Ayun.
Bye, guys.
Defend your hometown far and near. Give your team the loudest cheer. Calling the attention of all basketball enthusiasts in Qatar. The OFW 7th GCC All Filipino Club and PBAC. present Maharlika Park Restaurant Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Friday, April 4, 2025. The champion gets 10,000 Qatari Riyals. Runner-up, 4,000 Qatari Riyals. For mechanics and details, call 5006-1008. For registration, call Maharlika Park Restaurant at 7795-5380. Register now.
Samahan niyo kami din eh. Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. May hope. Okay po. Samahan niyo ko kami.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. I am the original since 2017. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. Sa aming bagong simula.
Kung pikon ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, malamang oras-oras pa sa gulo. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan lang. Dudulog walang labis, walang hula. Yoroleo, areleo, areleo,
One returns to Qatar with another blockbuster spectacle at Lusail Sports Arena on February 20, 2025. Fans will be treated to the best martial arts action on the planet as one bantamweight kickboxing world champion, Jonathan Haggerty, puts his gold on the line against Chinese superstar Wei Ruwei. Also, the reigning king, Joshua Pasio, and interim champ Jared Brooks meet in a trilogy match to unify the one strawweight MMA world title and much more. Tickets on sale at onefc.com/1171 or visit q-tickets.com. Let's all support Pasio. Buy tickets and get 30% discount. Use code 1PH now.
Ang mga kailangan mo at ng inyong pamilya sa Pinas, mahahanap mo sa tindahan ni Bossing. Tenbo, powered by PLDT Global. Ang one-stop online tindahan para sa mga Pinoy sa abroad. Sa Tenbo, sari-sari ang mga produkto at serbisyo. May load padala sa Pinas, shopping e-vouchers, bills payment, food e-vouchers, doctor's online consult vouchers, e-government services, at gaming pins. Sa Tenbo, makakakuha ka ng Smart Virtual Number, ang seamless Philippine mobile number na magagamit para sa libreng tawag sa OWA 24/7 hotline. At para makatanggap ng one-time passwords o OTP galing sa Philippine banks at e-wallets. Sa Smart Virtual Number, pwede ka ding i-text o tawagan ng inyong kapamilya sa Pinas gamit ang kanilang local Philippine numbers kahit wala silang internet. Kapag may Tenbo account ka, parang nasa Pinas ka na rin kahit pamalayo ka. Tindahan natin to mga bossing. Tenbo. Register for free.